Item 1 of daily list for judgment.
Yeah.
Appeal is dismissed.
So I victim is item number 26, madam, on behalf of Mr. S.S. Roy, madam.
Item number
26, madam, for the respondent, madam. I
Ah.
have taken the concern of the petitioner's counsel, madam. Please see it there, madam.
I am for the petitioner. Kindly a date may be given, my lord. They are taking time, my lord, for
My record was called for, madam, as per my instruction, madam, but part of the record has been.
Okay, her name is S. Bora. Legal counsel for the petitioner on request made on behalf of SS Royal and CGC. List the matter. When do you want?
21, madam.
22, my lord.
Yes, any, no problem.
You want it on 22nd?
Yes,
22nd will be difficult. We'll have it on 21,
21, my lord. I have problem.
20,
My
20.
problem.
My lord, this matter may be listed for admission. Matter relates to completion of appointment, my lord. On Friday, my lord.
Friday.
On Monday,
Monday is difficult. Monday, many cases are listed. We'll have it on 15th.
May it please just, listing of a matter for withdrawal tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow.
Withdrawal, ma'am.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
I beg to mention, your lordship, item 48, your lordship, seeking an adjournment of three weeks, your lordship.
Yeah, Mr.
I am Mr. V. Rajpur. I am for the department, your lordship,
You have,
for the respondent. I have informed the petitioner, your lordship,
okay, heard Mr. B. Sinal and the counsel for the petitioner.
V. Rajpur,
On request made by B. Rajpal and the standing counsel,
Cooperation Department,
Cooperation Department, list the matter after
3 weeks, your lordship.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
Interim order pass earlier to continue. Till then.
may it please the lordship. Item number 25, my lord. Yesterday I had filed an affidavit, my lord. The record may be called, kindly call for, my lord.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
May it please the lord. Back to mention for listing of a admission matter, lord. May kindly be taken on 13, lord.
Okay.
Okay. May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'd like to mention item number 24, today's daily list. I've
Oh.
taken due consent from the respondents, your
Ah.
lordship. Your lordship, I am no longer in this particular case. I will be withdrawing my wakalnama in this matter.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
Deborah.
D. Bora and the counsel for the petitioner, list the matter after.
After 6 weeks, because I'll be taking steps to withdraw my wakalnama. I'll be
I'll list it up 4 weeks.
4 weeks, your lordship. There is an interim order play, your lordship. Interim order may continue in a minute.
Interim order pass earlier to continue.
If I beg to mention item 28 and 29 of today's daily. Actually, 27 is connected, Dr. My friend appears for 27. Yes, lordship, in this matter, some instructions are stopped for lordship, so lordship may kindly take it up. on another day.
You are for the,
I am for the petitioner in 28 and 29.
okay, on request made by Mr.
I am for the.
Mr. M. B. Sharma.
I am MP.
Learned counsel for the petition in WBC 904 of 2017.
This is time for
List the matter. When do you want it?
last week of April, my
That's it, April. We need it, Lord.
Yes, wrong.
25th. Can it be on 25th, lordship?
Okay, 24th April.
Like that.
Well, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a miscellaneous application for restoration of review petition tomorrow, lordship.
Tomorrow will be difficult.
Monday, lordship.
Monday also difficult. 12.
Obliged.
May please lordship. I beg to mention for listing and admission method, lordship, on 14 lordship, 14 March.
Okay.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7 with consent of the other side, lordship.
Item?
Kindly- 7 Lordship.
Yes,
Kindly imagine adjourn for today, Lordship.
you have 40
Anganwadi, Lordship, petitioner.
on request made by Anganwadi and then the council for petitioner, list the matter after
After 1 week.
1 week.
May I please, I beg to mention for listing, my lord, on 15, my lord. Admission matter, my lord.
Admission matter.
Yes, my lord. It was last posted on 11th August 2023.
20 March.
May I please, your lordship, sir, may I be permitted to move in motion matter tomorrow? We have some urgency in this case, my lord.
Tomorrow there'll be some difficulty.
My lord, this Friday is holiday. Some
Yeah.
urgency is there, my lord, because
Because tomorrow there's some problem with the court. We can have it on Monday if there's some emergency.
Lordship. I have a similar prayer, Lordship, for listing for motion matter on Monday, Lordship. Oblige, Lordship. I beg to mention, Lordship, on admission matter, Lordship. Monday, Lordship.
No, Monday. 14th.
Lordship, matter is family pension, Lordship.
That's why 14th.
Last it was posted 13/10.
14th.
Lordship, a similar prayer, Lordship, for orders, Lordship.
Yeah.
Next week, anytime.
18.
Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for admission, Lordship.
20.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord. I beg to mention item number 50, my lord.
Item
50. It may be taken after 2 weeks, my lord. I have to file affidavit of the reply, my lord.
you have 40
Petition number
on request made by Mr.
FL Oscar.
General Counsel for the petitioner. List after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Oblige me.
I beg to mention for listing, Lordship, motion matter on Monday, Lordship.
Monday. No. 13.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, pray for listing of 3 identical writ petition and admission on 19th, my lord. Because, Lordship, we have already made a mention on Monday. Last Monday we have made a mention, but due to some clerical error, I wrote it 19.3 and 19.4. Now, just to recorrect it, I am re-mentioning it before your Lordship today.
My Lordship, I beg to mention for listing in admission. Matter was last posting 22 February 2024.
Okay, 20
Monday, my
March.
Lordship.
20 March.
May you please, your lordship, I beg to mention for one WPC on admission hearing on next Tuesday, maybe. Lordship, it was
19th.
deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention a matter for, my lord, it should come for motion, my lord. It has not been listed for around 5 months, my lord. Can it be on, my lord, 22nd, my lord?
Not 22nd. 21st.
21st, my lord. Then, my lord, next week, my lord. Then after that.
Next week is a holiday.
Uh,
Then we can go to April.
on the first week of April, my lord. My lord.
3rd April.
3rd April, my lord. Oblige me.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
None appears for the petitioner. Yes, after 1 week.
2.
May I break your lordship? Lordship, the petitioners being agree with the fact that certain allowances were not paid to them. They approached this honorable court by preparing the petition 396 of 22. Lordship, the order starts from page 25. The relevant is at page 76, lordship.
Yes.
The allowances were stopped accordingly upon hearing both the parties. Paragraph 10, lordship. May I read it, lordship? As has been noted herein above, page 76,
Yes,
lordship.
yes. Read.
As has been noted herein above, no legal justification is available before this court to sustain the impugned order dated 2/5/22. Consequently, both the writ petitions succeed and are hereby allowed. The impugned order dated 2/5/22 is hereby set aside. The respondents are directed to release the salary and allowances to the writ petitioners for the current month and continue to do so until the same is modified in accordance with law. Insofar as the amount of arrear allowances is concerned, the same shall also be released to the writ petitioners in 3 installments within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, this was communicated to the authorities on 1st of August 2023. That is at page 78. Subsequently, a reminder was preferred on 30th of January 2024, page 80. However, till date, Lordship, our allowances have not been released.
How about the area?
Lordship,
Area salary?
Lordship, the allowances which were arrear salary, arrear allowances have also not been paid. The current which was directed to be paid, that has also not been paid.
Third, Mr.
A. Chakraborty, Lordship.
Learn the counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by registered post ID within 1 week, at least after 6 weeks.
Obliged.
Item 3.
None appears for the petition. List after 1 week.
4.
None appears for the petition. List after 1 week.
5.
Wait, your lordship. Malas, in this matter, the respondents were to obtain instruction. If your lordship sees the last order, the sum and substance is that the petitioners have been serving for 24 years now. Then there was some allegation against them, and the order implemented at page 38. By which it has been decided that, may I read it, my lord?
Yes.
Regarding irregular appointment in Cooperation Department. This is a communication from the Registrar of Cooperative Societies to the government. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to endorse here with the inquiry report submitted by so-and-so. That was a fact-finding inquiry perhaps, regarding irregular appointment in Cooperation Department for favorable perusal. It may be mentioned that this office has already intimated the same white letter under reference to which the reply is still awaited. In view of the observation made in the aforesaid inquiry report, the undersigned seeks approval to start departmental proceeding for termination of service of the employees who were appointed irregularly. List of employees irregularly appointed enclosed with the inquiry report. Furthermore, you are requested to refer the matter of illegal appointment to an investigation agency to conduct the detailed investigation into the matter. Now, the petitioner's case is that he was appointed in 1999 as LDA. He was confirmed in service in 2005. Then he was also given promotion, and therefore thereafter the Registrar of Cooperative Societies wrote to the Treasury officer to stop payment of salary on the because there is some allegation of irregular appointment of in 24 years back. Then he approached this honorable court, and while the matter was pending before this court, the salary was released. Therefore, that petition had become infructuous. Now, thereafter, this communication has been stated. Petitioner submission is that if you want to initiate a disciplinary proceeding, we cannot resist it. But you initiate a disciplinary proceeding, and also you want to do an investigation that is a police case. eventually that will lead to our arrest and my career will be jeopardized.
Yes, I have received instruction, Your Lordship. The government has done permission. Lordship, may I play the inquiry report, Your Lordship, and I have flagged it, Your Lordship.
Let them put it through an affidavit so that I know what is there in the inquiry. That is inquiry conducted behind
Lordship,
my
if
back.
any illegality or criminality has happened, Your Lordship, Lordship will kindly know. Go to the inquiry report, Your Lordship. Here this. Lordship, I have flagged it, then. Lordship, turn to the next page, Your Lordship.
1 minute.
Government has given approval, Your Lordship, for starting. Yes, sir. Letter dated 23/2/24.
Departmental proceeding.
Department proceeding as well as to start investigation. Into the, if I may read. I am directed to convey the government approval for starting departmental proceedings for termination of service of employee who were appointed irregularly. And
Where is the report?
the report is, Your Lordship, I fact like it, Your Lordship.
Huh?
The,
You placed this by way of an affidavit.
I will do that, Your Lordship. I will
Then I
place it.
respond to that.
Should I issue notice?
Your
Lordship,
Lordship, I am.
I think notice would be better.
Yes.
one aspect, Your Lordship, because Your Lordship, through this the petitioner has remedy, Your Lordship. If, because we have not yet filed any FIR or it has not gone to the investigating agency. If it goes to the investigation agency, Your Lordship, the Lordship can come and file an anticipatory bail or go file a petition under 482. Lordship, if I may place one judgment, Your Lordship.
Anyway, you file
Yes,
the
sir.
affidavit. In the meantime, we'll see what happens. But
Because
Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. M.K. Gaonburah for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr. Yeah, V. Rajgopal,
V. Rajgopal.
London Council Corporation Department appears for respondents.
Lordship, 1, 2,
I think we pay for
all the responses.
Appears for all the respondents. So. Notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies you finish. But Mr. V. Rajgopal and the Standing Council Corporation submits that he has received instructions.
Yes.
And praise for filing an affidavit incorporating the same. Stop. Where is allowed? When do you want?
Must be a short date, Your
That's
Lordship.
why I'm.
1 week's time, Your Lordship. I'll file immediately.
List the matter of, today is what, 6th?
Lordship,
We'll have it on 15th,
Lordship, can it be after 15th, Your Lord? On 18th, Your Lordship.
list the matter on.
that interim order is the only one that no coercive steps will be taken. That let that be there in the
Interim order passes. Continue till the next.
file. Highly obliged.
You take back this.
Yes, I'll take it.
But the next item is also exactly similar.
See,
Yeah, notice as,
Same, exactly similar. Yes.
then it will be the same order,
Lordship.
same order.
Obliged.
8,
Thank you, Sir Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner belongs to the general category under EWS that is economically weaker section. Being eligible, she applied for EWS certificate. And the respondent number 4, after verification of the documents, issued the certificate to the petitioner.
Where's the certificate?
Lordship, may kindly turn to page 19.
Yeah.
In the meantime, the respondent number 6, that is APSC, published an advertisement for conducting the combined competitive examination 2020. And then being eligible, she applied and was selected for the post of Assam Civil Service Junior Grade. Lordship, may kindly turn to page 33. Her name is was reflected in serial number 98, page 35. 30, page 35, serial number 98.
Yes.
But her appointment was kept on hold the respondent number 2 informed the petitioner that her appointment was kept on hold, stating that pending verification of her EWS certificate, due to the pending verification of our EWS certificate, and requested her not to attend the ceremony where appointment letters were distributed to the successful candidates of CC 2020. And then upon inquiry, the petitioner came to know that a complaint was lodged, complaint was filed questioning the validity of her EWS certificate. As such, she filed representations before the departments concerned, but since no steps or decisions were taken, she approached this honorable court, where this honorable court provide order dated 11/12/2023. Lordship, mechanism turn to page 37, annexure 6.
Yes.
Directed the concerned authorities to process the verification of her EWS certificate. And then the respondent number 2, that is the secretary, personal Government of Assam Personal Department, without proper verification, sent a letter which we have annexed in page 41, Lordship, annexure 8, annexure 7, Lordship, directing the DC to immediately cancel the petitioner's EWS certificate. And then the additional deputy commissioner then forwarded the letter along with this very letter, and then
Where that cancellation?
the cancellation is in annexure 8, Lordship, for page 41. The circle officer then cancelled the certificate of the petitioner.
Yes. That
Lordship, it is pertinent to mention that both the parents of the petitioners who have annexed their certificates, Lordship, they are both retired government teachers. As such, their salary does not the salary combined does not amount to the stipulated amount, that is rupees 8 lakhs per annum. And then before issuing this very EWS certificate to the petitioner, physical verification was also conducted by the Lat Mandal under the instruction of circle officer. And after that only, the certificate was issued to the petitioner. And using this very EWS certificate, the petitioner also applied for graduate teacher science, and then she was selected. And then she also served as a graduate teacher science in Dorokana High School from 10/2/2021 to 16/5/2022.
yes. Who appears?
So, I'm appealing on behalf of the 5 and 6, my lord. The order passed by the government, I am on behalf of the APSC, my lord.
You have nothing.
Nothing to say, my lord, because she has cleared, but only the certificate which was valid, that is issued by the government and now cancelled by the government.
You are appealing?
Yes, Lordship. The page 41 is very clear, Lordship.
Yes.
The gross annual income, Lordship. But if they dispute this, they have not even annexed these things in this writ petition also, if this is not correct, Lordship. So this is also there. And it was a miscalculation on the part of the respondent authorities, Lordship, calculating the annual income. So instead of
We'll
the
see you take your instruction.
Lordship, I shall.
Third MS.
Q Kiba.
You?
Kiba.
QQ. No, economic council. Issue notice. MSM Bhattacharya, then in addition to the government. Affairs for respondents,
1 to 4, Lordship.
1 to 4. And Mr. TJ Manda, then it's standing council APSC.
5 and 6.
Affairs for the respondents, 5 and 6. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies we furnish. Respondents are not filed after. List of votes.
Obliged, Lordship.
9,
Petitioner before lawsuits were originally master role workers in the irrigation department at Mantachar, and they have been regularized without any pension and other benefits by the order of the Honorable Court on the basis of the order of the Honorable Court in Reserve 45 of 15.
Page?
That I have not the next Milord, but they're serving. But now recently, Milord, what happened? I am against this, Milord. The Administrative Reforms and Training Pension and Public Grievance Department of the State of Assam, Milord, at page 70. Annex E, Milord, have issued a letter.
It's 70.
Page 70, Milord.
Oh.
Type copy. Issued a letter by which they required the departments, all the departments of the state, Milord, to inform them about the persons who have been earlier regularized as master role workers engaged prior to 1/4/1993. Petitioner wanted that since they are also before 1/4/1993 in the state, Milord, as master role, they are known, their names ought to have been forwarded to the that department, Milord, Administrative Reforms Department, by the concerned executive officer of the under whom we are working. But he said that since your names were not already regularized, so I am not in a position to forward it same. But since there is record, Milord, to show that they were before 95, 1/4/93, we wanted that our names also should be forwarded. Only that.
No, are you regularized or not?
Yeah, I mean regularized later, Milord.
When?
In 18, Milord, 2018, after the Honorable Court's order giving direction that they all will be regularized without EI. Only that direction I want, Milord, only to forward our names to the Public Grievance Department.
Lordship, their prayer is for regularization, Lordship.
No, but presently only.
Lordship may see page 16, Lordship.
That is true, Milord. That is true. On whether
for that purpose, Lordship, the finance department is a necessary party here, Lordship. If they want regularization, Lord.
No, I want only forwarding of my names, Milord.
No, you're not regularized. You're not regularized.
According to I stated, Milord, according to the order of the Honorable Court.
Your prayer is only for regularization of your service.
Yes. That's true, but
how do we regularize pastoral employees?
But at this stage, Milord, I want only forwarding of my names, Milord.
When your name is not regularized, how can they forward your name? Look at the order, read page 470 properly. That's why you are saying once again requested to furnish information at the earliest on regularized work charge master role workers engaged prior to 1/4/1993. Now you are not regularized. How will you forward it?
No, since we are not regularized, but our names were there before 1/4/93. That's why I wanted that, Milord.
You are not regularized.
Wait, not regularized, true, Milord.
Look at the language in this letter.
Yes, Lord. That is true. I have also seen.
Then how can we give a direction to forward your name? And for regularization, that Ubinda's case.
Yes, Lordship.
that
Now
will cover your
Upendra
matter.
came, Lordship. And that was a one-time measure, Lordship.
On the basis of that, my lord, we have been regularized later, not
So
before.
who is the regularization order?
Upendra is not for regularization, Lordship.
Ubinda's provides only for minimum pay scale.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, that's true, my lord. I'll take some time, my lord. I will get instruction from my clients and thereafter I will make my.
On request made by Mr. T.P. Chalial and Mr. Counsel for the petitioner, please, after
After.
2 weeks.
Let it be on 21st, my lord. March.
Okay, on to
So I am appearing for 2 to 6, Lord.
Mr. D.
Enupati.
Badial and the Standing Council.
Irrigation.
Irrigation applies for respondent.
2 to 6.
No.
Obliged, Lord.
10.
My lord, the matter relates to promotion, my lord. Discriminatory exercise of power on the part of the government respondent. My lord, Annexure 5, page 24. The 5 on page 25, that is the gradation list, provisional gradation list, and page 25.
Yes.
It is a provisional gradation list prepared by the director SCERT, where my position is at serial number 222. Whereas 222, Mustaq Ahmed Chaudhary. My lord, by mistake, it was written as Chaudhary, my lord, instead of my lord Majumdar. Anyhow. Whereas, my lord, the respondent number 4, Rajesh Kumar Das, his position stood at serial number 230. Then, my lord, the next
respondent number
4, Rajesh Kumar Das. Then, my lord, the respondent number 5, position is 239. Then, my lord, respondent number 3, he was not shown in the gradation list. Subsequently, my lord, the next provisional gradation list, that is Annexure 6, page 30. Annexure 6, page 30. My position was shown as at serial number 183. This is my lord from grade 4 to grade 3. Died, my lord. Whereas, my lord, the respondent number 3, this time respondent number 3 has come. His position shown as at serial number 193, page 32. Then respondent number 4, 172, 201. Then respondent number 5, 208. In the final gradation list, my lord, Annexure 7, page 34.
Yes.
My name is shown at serial number, my lord, 151. Oh, yes. The respondent number 4, his position shown at serial number 172. That is respondent number 4, Rakesh Kumar Das. Respondent number 4. Yes, 172. Then my position was shown at serial number 191. Then respondent number 5, position 197. Then respondent number 3, position was shown at 240. My lord, when my lord respondent number 4 position was shown at jail number 172, I immediately represented the government. But without disposing my representation, my lord, the director SCRT, my lord, Annexure 11, issued the imping order. Page 47, last annexure.
Yes.
Appointing, my lord, serial number 9, 11, and 12. Respondent number 3, whose position was at serial number 214. Then Rajesh Kumar Das, 172. And Lawrence, thank you. Respondent number 5, 197. My lord, the authority deprived me from my right of promotion, my lord. So I was not allowed to know, my lord, why I have been deprived.
Who are promoted? Respondent number,
Respondent number 3,
serial number.
Muzakir Ahmed Loskar, serial number 9, in the impugn appointment order. Rajesh Kumar Das,
Is respondent.
respondent number 4. Then Lawrence, thank you. Respondent number 5, whose position was at serial number 197. So my serial number was 181. And my lord, they illegally deprived me, my lord. Why I deprived, that was not known to me, my lord. So, my lord, my humble submission would be, my lord, notice may be issued to
Who
the
appears on the other side?
SC education, lordship.
SCERT, State Council of Educational Research and Training.
BTC is also party.
BTC, my lord, Basic Training Center. Hailakandi, under diet, my lord. They received copy, my lord. Director received 2 copies. Then respondent number 1, secretary received 2 copies, my lord. SCERT.
It's official.
Petition.
Petition.
Basic Training Center.
Do you serve copies?
Yes, yes, my lord, they received copy. 2 copies each. Respondent number 1 and 2.
Where are the consuls? SCRT. They have a standing consul?
Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education. SCRT.
Lordship, SCRT I can appear, but Lordship, I have not been served copy, Lord.
My lord, and Director SCRT received 2 copies, my lord.
But if director received, then it's a
Then
different
secretary
issue.
received
I
2
have not
copies.
received, Lord.
My lord, notice may kindly be looked into. Copy jim de kiya Director SCRT official lesson to the copy.
Yeah, you have received copies.
Yes, my
Director,
lord.
Lord. In the office, it has been served, Lord. They are not aware when the matter will get listed, Lord. So they should have served copies to us, Lord. If we're standing counsel are here, Lord.
Yes.
Served in the office.
My lord, my clerks have got 2 copies, my lord, not 1 copy, 2 copies, my lord, we have to receive.
No.
The matter was put in defective, my lord. That's because Director of SCRT, his notice 2 copies to be served to him. So my clerk again served 2 copies. Then the matter has
Let
been
1
listed.
copy be served to me, Lord.
You serve a
I will
copy.
serve him, no doubt.
Lordship will take up this matter tomorrow, Lord. In the meantime,
I'm just issuing notice.
Lordship. Lordship.
Part MS.
B Devi.
D. Devi, General Counsel for the petition. Issue notice. And school education, who appears?
School education, Lordship. Our Mozambique is there. School education.
No, whom did you serve the copy?
Office, in the office, my lord. They have office, my lord.
Which office?
School education, my lord. Director of SCRT also received copies, my lord. That is a notice is available, my lord. In the record. High Court, my lord. In the High Court, they have
Yeah,
office,
in
my
the
lord.
High Court.
Yes.
Mr. R. Majumdar, Learner Standing Counsel, School Education Department, appears for respond number 1. And Mr. P. Nayak, Learner Standing Counsel, SCRT, appears for the respond number 2. Stop. petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 3, 4, and 5 by respect for daily within 1 week from stop this
My lord.
after 4 weeks.
Any appointment of respondent number 3, 4, and 5 shall be subject to
The
the
promotion is it promotion or appointment?
appointment and promotion. Promotion, my lord, from grade 3 to grade 4.
Promotion of the respondents 3, 4, and 5
3, 4, 5.
by the order dated 3rd February 2024 shall be subject to the outcome.
My lord, may I pray another interim, my lord? Pendency shall not be a bar for the authority if they consider promotion of the petitioner.
That makes it.
Or, my lord.
They have already promoted, there may be no vacancy.
No, if the authority desire the promotion of the petitioner, pendency shall not be a bar.
Once the promotion orders are out, if we again desire something.
No, in another vacancy, my lord.
I've said 3, 4, and 5 will be subject to the outcome of this.
Not subject.
11.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, please.
My case is that, my lord, in the year 2017, advertisement was issued by the Medical College Hospital, Guwahati, my lord. And thereafter, selection process started. Petitioners are successfully completed the written examination. Then thereafter, call for document verification and skill test. When document verification, they are selected, document accepted, and skill test has already been done. At that time, my lord, some disqualified candidate in document verification came before this honorable court. And honorable court, at the motion stage, passed an order that the result of the said advertisement subject to the outcome of the writ petition. Thereafter, in the meantime, my lord, the disqualified candidate's document has already been accepted by the authority. Thereafter, the petition came before the for disposal and dispose of the matter that already the documents have already been accepted, then there is no merit of the case, then close the matter. Thereafter, what happened? Without publishing any selection list, my lord, the petitioners who have earlier in the writ petition, they were appointed by the authority without publishing any selection list. This is my case, and the petitioners before your lordship all are selected. Passed all the tests, my lord. Now, at this stage, my lord, may pray for issue notice and short date may be given for returnable, my lord.
So what do you want today?
Lordship, notice may go.
No. What do you want in the writ petition?
Lordship, my prayer is that the selection list may be issued by the authority and who may be appointed.
Select list has not been issued.
Not issued, my lord.
When was the examination held?
Examination held in the year 2018. Some disqualified candidate, lordship.
Thereafter, my lord, our petition was preferred by some of the disqualified candidates.
Person.
So
that is the.
Yes, and that petition has been disposed of in the year 2023, and thereafter, my lord, those 3 petitioners have been appointed.
Appointed, my lord.
So as per the pleadings of the petition, my lord. So I will have to obtain instruction, my lord.
Kindly to page number 23. This is the appointment letter of private respondents, my lord. They have misinterpreted the order of the dishonorable court, my lord. 42.
Page?
42, my lord. Appointment letters.
How many petitioners were there? 2.
3.
3.
Only 2 appointment orders.
The third one is we have not able to obtain, my lord. But we have made party.
Then we'll issue notice.
Yes.
And date may be fixed in short.
Her name is
P. Bora.
P. Bora and Concord. Issue notice. Mr. D.B. Bora, and Standing Counsel,
Health Department. Yes.
appears on behalf of
1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord.
1, 2, 3, and 4. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on one number 5 and 6 and 7 by registered post daily within 1 week. Is the matter. April.
Lordship. Obliged.
Obligement.
12,
May please your lordship. Hello, the petitioner of your lordship, he was a junior engineer in the Public Works Department. And after, during his service, he had passed the A and IB examination from the Institute of Civil Engineers, Ludhiana. Now, that certificate, that examination is equivalent to BE, but there was some confusion regarding its equivalence, and therefore, they were entitled to be promoted as assistant engineer, but that was not done. But subsequently, it has been cleared by this honorable court that they are equivalent to BE, and accordingly, some persons have been promoted in 2015, persons junior to the petitioner. Then petitioner also made representation that my juniors have been promoted as assistant engineer, but my case has not been considered. Eventually, he has also been promoted. This promotion order is dated 31/10/2023 at page 51. But his claim here is that the others have been given retrospective benefit.
Retrospective promotion.
Yes. And in fact, your lordship, there are several orders to dispose of the representation. May I place one, my lord? Only consideration and consideration of the representation and passing an order on that.
Same facts. No,
My lord?
different facts. On the same facts.
Same facts, my lord. Even the date of representation is also same, my lord. Exactly same. Or 9 again. Disposal of representation.
Representation date is also same.
Yes, my lord, that is also same.
And even the institution, Ludhiana.
Yes,
It's
same,
also
same
same.
institution.
And we can pass the same order.
Yes, maybe disposal. Authority will take a decision after considering the representation.
Heard Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, Learner Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
K. Kalita.
K. Kalita, Learner Counsel. Stop. Also heard Mr.
Dr. Mark Friend is appearing for one lordship. I'm appearing for
A. Talukdar, Learner Government Advocate. For the response number 1. Mr. P. Nayak, Learner Standing Counsel.
2, 3, and 4.
PWD for the responders, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. The petitioner here is presently serving as assistant engineer within brackets civil. On being promoted by notification dated 31/10/2023, correct?
My lord.
Stop. The petitioner was initially denied promotion by the department on the ground that the qualification of within inverted commas Section A and B of associate membership examination. AMI within bracket I in civil engineering close bracket from the Institute of Civil Engineers within bracket India, Ludhiana, Punjab was not equivalent to BA degree. And hence the educational qualification of the petitioner was put to question. Stop. Similarly situated persons had earlier approached this court by filing WBC number 7944 of 2020, which was disposed of by order dated 9/12/2022, directing the authorities to pass a reasoned order on the claim of those petitioners for promotion. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioners in WBC number 7944/2022. Am I correct?
Yes, madam.
Were given, who were junior to the petitioner, having the same qualification and from the same institution, were considered for promotion and have been duly promoted to the rank of assistant engineer. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner before this court is that he has not been given retrospective promotion.
Yes.
From the date when his immediate junior was promoted. Stop. Para. Learned senior counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has made a representation on 8/11/2023 before the respondent number
2. Respondent 2.
before the respondent number 2, i.e.
Special Commissioner and
Special
Special Secretary.
Commissioner and Special Secretary to the Government of Assam, Public Works Department within bracket roads, Assam. However, the same has not been considered till date, and therefore the petitioner would be satisfied if a direction is given to the respondent number 2 to consider and dispose of the representation filed by the petition. Now, Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, MS A. Talukdar, Learned Government Advocate, as well as Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel, PWD, Assam, has no objections. Stop accordingly, on consensus, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent number 2.
Yes, number 2.
With direction to the respondent number 2 to consider the representation dated 8/11/2023 filed by the petitioner in accordance with law. To consider and dispose of the same by a reasoned order and in accordance with law within the period of
4 weeks.
1 month.
4 weeks.
That's 1 month.
Yes,
Within the period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. Stop. With the above observations and directions, this writ petition is disposed of.
Highly obliged.
Thank you.
13.
A little unfortunate case. The petitioner, my lord, his services were terminated in the year 2001. In the year 2002, my lord, his disability pension was sanctioned by the headquarters DGAR. Now in 2022, they say that we will not pay you the disability pension, you are not entitled to it.
Why?
My lord, they say that the disability was not aggravated or did not arise out of the service condition. At this stage, my lord, the petitioner is therefore challenging his termination, that if it was if I do not have a disability,
2001 termination, today you're challenging.
but because it is
When
now
was when was the implemented order passed?
my lord, that was passed in the year that was passed in the year 2001, my lord. 2000, 30th of October 2000, page 21.
Your termination order?
My lord, page 21, 30th of October 2020, 2000. Down below, lordship will find.
No.
Page 21, my lord. It's a type copy of the annexure 2, lordship finds. Para number 7, lordship will find grounds for discharge on medical ground unfit. Then lordship will find down below, the place is at Dimapur and the dated 30th of October 2000. Now lordship would like to have page 23 for a moment. Page 23. Para 2. It is to inform you that disability pension for persons who have been discharged from service on medical ground has been approved by the headquarter DGAR. Hence, you are directed to report to ARTC. I go there. Then lordship will find it page 25. Point number 2, they say, it is also to inform you that your minimum pension has been fixed at 2,500 per month only. Now, I wait, I make correspondences, they keep on detailing at page 36.
You have not received any pension at all?
No, my lord. They did not give me the pension throughout the time. Then, my lord, at page 36 on 15th of November 2022, para 4, they say, since you do not fulfill the above criteria, you are not entitled for disability pension due to constraint of rules. In this connection, the office has already intimated you by so and so on 2019.
Why are you challenging this now?
My lord, because my lord, the termination itself in other cases also where the termination was challenged, later date also, my lord, lordship will find at page 48. Sometime in the year 2019 also, this honorable court has held that such persons would be entitled for a review medical board whether they suffer from the disease at all or not, or whether the termination itself is wrong. At page 49, lordship will find the order starts, and lordship will find at page 51, para 15. The termination references, if lordship will have, yes, lordship will have page 50, para 7 for a moment, madam. Page 50, para 7. The petitioner was provisionally selected for enrollment as recruit so in the Assam Rifles in the recruitment really held at so in 2001, subject to being found fit in the medical final examination. Petitioner having been found unfit by the classified specialist ENT, same disease, madam, LMC. During the final medical examination, petitioner was discharged from service with effect from 31/10/2001 by discharge service dated 9/10/2001. The same, my lord, selection process. And if lordship finds at page 51.
But this petitioner, he had approached in 2018.
But yes, he had approached in 2018 because there was no promise for a pension there. Here, there was a promise of pension. And in 2022, they say that no, you are not entitled to it.
No, so 22, why you are coming now?
Because now, if I don't get the pension, also I don't have a job. Also, it becomes difficult for the.
No, what is
But if I was not required to be terminated at that point of time on my medical ground, my lord, if that was a wrong termination, there are judgments which say that the interim period could at best be notional, but my right to continue in service would remain, my lord.
See, according to this letter,
my lord,
you were informed on 20 August 2019.
19, my lord, yes. But he stays in Haryana. The
So
COVID set in, my lord.
Immediately after you are informed, if you have approached this court, that's a different issue. But then 19, 20, up 19 up to 2024, what is your explanation?
The lawsuit would perhaps appreciate, my lord, 2020, 2021, and first part of 2022, my lord, it went away in COVID, my lord. He's from Haryana. Difficult for him to have approached this court in between this period. Of course, from 2020, somewhere in the mid part to now, 2022 to now, my lord, that's 1.5 years, my lord. He took some time to come and at least get the matter filed. It took him time. Because he has also
annexed.
Your lordship
Delay-
is right, my lord. 2019 last communication. Thereafter, of course, COVID is here. At the relevant point of time, during the COVID, the affidavit is not required to be signed by the petitioner. That was the, everyone we know. The petitioners can sign the affidavit on behalf of the petitioner. So no explanation at this stage, my lord.
Perhaps a notice, my lord. COVID time, my lord, even the Supreme Court has held that someone could not approach, it will be not taken into account, or even limitation had been set aside, my lord, signing by the advocate or otherwise take another thing. Lordship will see at page 29, my lord, he's below poverty line. So he needs to make an arrangement to at least reach Guwahati. Me doing such cases, my lord, all the time. I will not go into the other aspect, but even to reach Guwahati is difficult for them. And now that in 2020.
Have you at least given that explanation in your writ petition?
Yes, my lord. That explanation is there, my lord.
Where's where's that?
My lord, yes, that is there. Lordship will find it page 10, para 11. I'm sorry, my lord, not that. That explanation was there. Last, no? Yes, sir. Page 14, para 15. In the middle, my lord, some 1, 2, 3. 11th line from below, my lord. 11th line from below, my lord. Page 14, para 15, my lord.
This is not satisfactory.
It is pertinent to mention that the petitioner belongs to a poor family with financial condition and has suffered acute penury which withheld him from approaching the legal remedy. And now the petitioner has moved his petition forward with forbearance and wish to demand justice for the discrimination, illegal discharge from service. And Lordship would like to have page 15, para 18. Page 15 also, para 18, my lord. The petitioner begs to state that there is no willful delay on the part of the petitioner to prefer the repetition as the time that had passed by the respondent authorities had made the petitioner to believe that they would be granting him some relief for the wrong or injustice done to him. First issuing discharge to the petitioner to send him back home. Next offering him pension and requiring him to submit claim for pension, and then denying the pension after 2 years of claiming placed, and then misguiding him about availing pension after a period of years past. Speak for the time gap for which the petitioner has approached this honorable court. Moreover, penury experienced by the petitioner is a major factor for which it wants advice and not oppose the legal. In fact, I had to some extent explain to him that the delay would act against him. The situation is where everybody else who had been promised such were afforded a review medical board. At this stage, my lord, a review medical board notice for a
Goswami
should not.
we issue notice
My lord.
keeping the issue of maintainability open.
My lord.
But our Majumdar learning council. Mr. UK Goswami, learner CGC. In the surveillance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. The court will notice however, extra copies also. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List after 4 weeks. The issue of maintainability with regard to the delay in approaching this court is kept open.
I'm obliged, man.
My please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I am contractual employee, Your Lordship. Subsequently, my service was terminated, Your Lordship, without any hearing, Your Lordship. Annexure A, Your Lordship, is number 10, Your Lordship. My appointment, Your Lordship. Original is page number 12, Your Lordship. Salary 4,560 per month.
Yes.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, I joined to the said post, Your Lordship, and I have been working, Your Lordship, regularly, Your Lordship, till my termination, Your Lordship.
Where's your termination order?
Termination page number 16, Your Lordship, and exer E, Your Lordship. In pursuance of the approval of BTC letter number Spenso, dated 1st July 2021, and in the interest of public service, the appointment order of Sri People Sundar Rai, grade 4, display, employment is hereby terminated from the service with effect from date of approval. 3rd July.
Then?
Without any hearing, Your Lordship. Nothing, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, a letter, Your Lordship, forwarded by circle officer to the director, Your Lordship, is number 19, Your Lordship, and exer F, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship? Is number 19.
You terminated in 2021.
Lordship.
What is your ground? Explanation for delay in approaching this court.
Lordship, I approached several times, Your Lordship, before the authority. They issued verbally, Your Lordship.
Then you keep
Also
on,
submitted
keep on approaching the authorities. Why
representation, Your Lordship. And no issue, Your Lordship. Just grade 4 employee, Your Lordship, 4,500.
Where have you given your explanation for the delay?
Lordship, and paragraph 5, Your Lordship, is number 7, Your Lordship.
Paragraph
5 is number 7.
Where's the representation?
Page number 20, Your Lordship, and exactly.
Yes, Nayak.
If I kindly see the explanation, it's a simple representation.
No, Lordship, several representations submitted. I have
Simple
annexed only
representation.
one, Your Lordship.
Whether it was actually received by the authority or not, Lordship,
No,
that is
no,
also not clear. No signature, no receipt,
My
nothing,
check.
Lord. In any case, Lordship, it's a termination of 2021, Lordship. At best,
Yeah.
Lordship will no issue notice at this place.
But to issue notice, this court has to be satisfied that
Yes,
the
Lord.
delay.
Yeah.
You have to give your explanation.
Lordship,
Where are the representations that you have filed?
I have annexed only one, Your Lordship. Others, something
That is the
another-
latest one.
Lordship.
Where are the
Several
earlier-
representation, Your
Where are
Lordship.
the earlier ones? At least bring in one or two.
One, Your Lordship, page number 20, Your Lordship, and
That is 2023.
Lordship. Earlier also submitted, Your Lordship.
Was this representation received?
No signature, nothing, Lordship. That is what I am pointing out, Lordship.
That's our office copy, Your Lordship. As a grade 4 employee, Your Lordship, with service as a office chowkidar, office peon, and process server, that is admitted fact, Your Lordship. And
That is an
number
admitted
90.
fact. We are not going into all those things. You were terminated in 2021, and what are you?
In the meantime, notice may kindly be issued, Your Lordship.
Lordship, let him furnish any other representation if he is.
Furnish some representations. Court is not satisfied with the explanation in delay.
Lordship, I approached Your Lordship. That's why one letter was issued, Your Lordship. Annexer F page number 19. May I read, Your Lordship? Circle officer, Your Lordship. On approach, Your Lordship, after termination, Your Lordship. Paragraph, second paragraph, Your Lordship. That Sir Sri Vipul Chandra Rai is grade for employee in this office. Due to non-ability grade for manpower in this office, he has been performing his duties of office chowkidar, circle office peon, and also process server of
This
this
is not
office.
your representation. This is a recommendation only.
On approach, Your Lordship, the
Not approach.
circle officer. On
Not-
approach,
Nothing is mentioned here that you have approached the circle office.
Lordship, I am Vipul Chandra Rai, petitioner, Your Lordship. My name mentioned, Your Lordship. Specifically, Lordship, a letter
That is
forwarded.
there. That is there. That is from the circle officer's side only. Where is your representation?
I have annexed one, Your Lordship, and I started file several representation, Your Lordship.
Where are those several representations?
Several representation. As a simple as an annex only one representation, Your Lordship. Is 20 annex, Your Lordship.
I'll issue notice keeping the issue.
Lordship.
But Mr.
AAR Karim, Your Lordship.
AAR claim non conflict of petitioner issue notice. You are applying for?
Lordship, I'm appearing for VTC, respond number 3 and 4, Lord.
Who appears? Land Revenue. Mr. J. Hensick, Land Standing Council Revenue Department appears for respondents. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Mr. P. Nayak, Land Standing Council BTC appears for respondents. 3 and 4. And MS A. Talukdar, Land Government Advocate appears for respondents.
5 and 7.
5 and 7. How about 6? Nayak, I think you can appear.
Government.
No. Respondent 6 is also BTR.
SDO government.
It's also government advocate.
Government will appear.
5, 6, and 7, Your
5,
Lordship.
6, and 7 notice and responses are complete. However, extra copies. List respondents may allow to file affidavit. List up to 4 weeks. The issue of maintainability raised by the Land Council for the respondents with regard to the delay in approaching this court is kept open.
10.
The matter regarding the engagement of petitioners on contextual basis. The petition before Lordship Millard, they were engaged Millard in 2009 and 2015 respectively. And Millard, while they were Millard posted Millard in the Millard Ramhori Gapanchayat under Pachim Banga the development below. Millard,
you are appointed as what?
Millard contextual employee Millard. Petition number 1 was a Millard Gram Rozgar Shahayak, page 14 Millard.
Page
14 on 4. So, date of joining the job of Gram Rozgar Shahayak. Then page 16 in respect of the petition number 2, he was his job was accredited engineer.
Yes.
While they were posted under Ramhori Gapanchayat, some allegation was made that the misappropriation of fund. Then inquiry was conducted, and the Commissioner of Panchayat and Rural Development filed order dated 7/5/2018, directed to be terminated from contact.
Where is that inquiry?
Case 18. May read Millard. In person so received from the Deputy Commissioner Dorong along with the inquiry report submitted by the Project Director DRD Dorong. It has come to the notice of the undersigned that Sri Tapan Borwahi, the petition number 1 Millard. So is found involvement in misappropriation of government fund in the implementation of the scheme under so and so. There Millard last 4th line Millard. And DPC Dorong is hereby directed to issue orders to the effect of such termination of contact upon receipt of this order with immediate effect and report comply. And Millard page number 19 is respect of petition number 2. Thereafter, the matter was inquired by the below development officer. It is page 20, and he found that there was no misappropriation of fund. Subject regarding expenditure incurred in the scheme of so and so to the non-authority under so and so. With reference to the above, as per your verbal discussion, I have the honor to inform you that the scheme so and so of at Ramhari amounting to rupees so and so only. As per MIS report, no payment have been made till date, and it also comes under zero expenditure scheme. So the question of misappropriation of fund does not arise. In this connection, the contractual staff under so and so, namely petition number 1 and petition number 2, who are under termination may kindly be considered of their service on humanitarian ground. Thereafter, my lord, they approached before this honorable court, and this honorable court, my lord, by order dated 11/8/2021, was pleased to dispose of the matter, my lord. Lordship may kindly turn the page 25, the operative part, my lord. Paragraph 8, my lord. In the view of the matter, while this court is interferes with the orders of termination service, it is directed that such termination shall not come into the way of fresh consideration of the case of the prisoners in the department, if and when the department is of the view that the services are required to be engaged in any scheme which may come in future. Thereafter, the prisoners filed representation on 1/12/2021 that is page 26 million, and it was duly received by the Commissioner of Concert and Development. And now, presently there are numbers of posts are laying vacant, but the case of the prisoner has not been considered by the authority. So
Yes,
so my
My lord,
Lordship,
initially, they,
my subject Lordship, I will file a fresh representation, and that will be considered within the time. The representation it was filed on 1/12/2021. After the course order.
after this representation, what were you doing?
No order has been passed. But since the order impugned, that is 7/5/2018, the district program officer has to pass an order. Thereafter, no order has been passed, and we are not allowed to join or engage in any new scheme.
No, the direction passed by this court is also very.
Yes, if the
Yes, and when vacancy,
Yes,
yes, and when any scheme is, what is it?
required, if required, my lord.
if required, and the scheme is there.
So the option is open to the respondents,
Yes,
whether they want you or not.
yes, that is so. My submission, Lordship, I will file a just representation along with my letter. That will be considered and discussed within this time period.
Yes.
Lordship, admittedly, they were contractual employees, my lord, and for a fixed period. And after this order, my lord, judgment and order, my lord, although his termination was set aside, my lord, but it's up to the authority, my lord. So he does not have any legal grievance, my lord. So this petition is not maintainable in that sense, my lord.
Nowadays,
How can you force them to engage you?
No, I cannot force, but my submission is Lordship, I will file a representation before the authority. That will be
That is always open to him, my lord.
That you have already done.
Court's order is not required, my lord.
Till that representation has not been considered and disposed of. That is page
That
26.
is not required. See,
They have to pass an order.
read para 8,
Yes,
page 25.
In the view of the matter, this court interferes with the orders of termination of service. It is directed that such termination shall not come into the way of fresh consideration of the case of the prisoners in the department. If and when the department is of the view that the services are required to be engaged in any scheme which may come in future. My submission will also there are the schemes under the MG and Rega and number of posters second.
Maybe there are schemes, maybe, but it's up to the department.
But
if your services are found to be required, maybe they don't require your service.
But my representation is pending till that is 2021. There is not passed any order.
I can't give a direction to file a representation.
Only
The order of this court is very clear.
Yes, Miller.
On the face of this order, how can I pass an order asking you to make a representation?
To consider my if the post are my submission will also there are vacancies.
Maybe there are vacancies, maybe there may not be vacancies. That is not for this court to go into. It is for the respondents to consider your matter.
Yes,
So they may be considering your matter, they may not consider your matter. It's up to you. Court's order is very clear.
Yes,
Then
let them to take instruction.
What instruction required, my lord?
what instructions are required?
My specific grievance is that there are number of vacancies in paragraph 15, page 9. And similarly situated persons are engaging from time to time without being considered our case.
You got your termination order set aside.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
And read the other on top, the para 7, the last ending 3 lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Last ending 3 lines.
Those as opportunity did not be the expression has to be given to the incumbents, which in the present case were admittedly not done without any notice. So therefore, without going into the material brought on record by the petitioners to show that the allegation is baseless, this court is of the opinion that the termination of the service of the petitioners during the period when the contract was still in existence is not legally sustainable. In the view of the matter, this court is of the opinion that the impugned orders of termination are required to be set aside. At the same time, this court cannot shut its eyes to the fact that the contract have in the meantime come to an end. And in any case, the petitioners cannot be continued without orders passed for extension of their service. That is clear. So,
Court was very clear.
Madam.
Your contract period has come to an end.
Madam.
Now, without an extension order, you cannot be directed
That-
to be taken
that-
back to service.
that is right.
Number two, you may be adjusted to any future schemes.
These are scheme. So,
If it also says, if the department is of the view,
Bill.
so then nothing. much.
My only.
It's a case of, I have no,
My lord,
if you want a dismissal order, I can pass a
no,
dismissal
my
order. You want to
lord,
with-
they may let them to take the instruction, my lord, that they can.
not
my lord,
required. Or you want to withdraw it, you want to withdraw it, or I will dismiss it.
I will my lord, would do this petition, my lord, with liberty to file a fresh, my lord, that will be considered.
Okay, let him file.
That will be considered.
But Mr. D. Gayum, then the counsel for the petitioner. No, don't select it. Mr. D. Gayum, then the counsel for petition, place for withdrawal of the suit petition. Will liberty to file afresh. Mr.
As Doctor,
S. Datta, then the standing counsel,
PNRD department for 1, 2, 4, and 5.
PNRD department appears for respondents, 1, 2, 4, and 5, and Mr. Sigel Barwa, then the government advocate for the respond number 3. Late petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as well.
Obliged.
16.
My lord, the present petitioner was appointed as Anganwadi worker pursuant to advertisement, that is page 13, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, interview was held. And in the interview, I was selected. That lordship may kindly see page 18. Page 18, I am Lilavati Goala. Page 18, annexure 4. So, experience Goala, number 1, my lord.
Oh.
Lilavati Goala. So, experience based in personality test and acceptable. So, my name was recommended for appointment in that particular center, that is 330 number Kajidhar Anganwadi Center. Thereafter, I was also appointed. Appointed means engaged, that is page 23. I was working there, I joined there. I was appointed on 5/1/15 and thereafter on the same day I also joined, that is page 24. Surprisingly, on 30/9/2022, my engagement was terminated without my knowledge. But though it was terminated on 30/9/22, it came to my knowledge only in January 23.
Where the
24.
termination
January
order?
24. January, that is page 25. Man. So I have challenged this order. So my limited period with lordship dismay can be stayed and no further advertisement may be made against their center.
2022 order, you want to stay?
Stay means because it came to my knowledge only in January 2024. That is a ground manner.
January
Because it was not complete.
24, Lord.
January 24.
You have paid your salary or not?
I was paid salaries.
After your termination also, you was
No,
paid
no.
your salary?
After termination, not paid.
Then you should have made some inquiry why is my salary not being paid?
Lordship.
Because I have been terminated. But that was not conveyed
You
to
are
me.
aware, you knew about the 2022 order.
Thing is this, my lord, when I was engaged and I was working.
You were getting your salary, isn't it?
Yes, I have got.
After your termination, you did not get your
Yes,
salary.
yes, that is true.
So you must have inquired why my salary is not paid.
No, salary is,
622.
cannot pay because unless and until termination order is set aside. no
That is
question
what
was-
I'm saying. That means you knew in 2022 that you were terminated.
Yes, I have it, it is annexed, my lord. It is annexed. So that is notice may go, no further advertisement may be made.
No.
Lordship may kindly come to page number 23,
And-
the appointment letter, Lordship. And it says, Srimati Lilavati Goila, Shri Rameshwar Roy of village so-and-so, Kachar is hereby temporarily engaged as Anganwadi worker, Lordship. And
Such appointments are always temporary.
only temporary, Lordship.
That
And
is
that in page number 20,
Such appointments
page
may not
number
always
8,
temporary.
Lordship.
Have you explained the delay in approaching this court?
That, yes, my lord, that lordship may kindly see page 8, para 7.
As per para 7, Lordship, the petitioner come to know in January 2024 of his of her
One thing, my lord.
dispensation of 2022, Lordship. So for 2 years she was not either she was not going to her job or she must have an error, Lordship.
No, I was not aware, but my friend, one thing is here, there is another case pending regarding the same subject matter.
Maybe that case may be pending, but this merits, you have no merits. You're receiving your honorarium
Honorarium,
of rupees
3,000.
3,000 monthly.
Yes,
2022 September, your service was terminated.
yes,
From October, you did not get your honorarium.
yes.
2022.
But
And you
I
said,
was
and
given-
you, and you said that you got the termination only in January 2024.
It came to my knowledge because no
That's-
official order was issued. No,
You
my
better,
lord,
you better file an explanation properly
it
by
is
way of an additional affidavit, or I'm dismissing this.
explanation I have
They all
given.
delay matters happen.
Lordship, may I read page 8, para 7
That
again?
I've read in full.
So,
That is not,
because my lord, it is interdepartmental communication, unless it is conveyed to me, how I can know?
what do you mean internal departmental communication?
Yes, they issued some termination letter, but it was not conveyed to me. No show cause notice was issued.
No, not required.
So my prayer was that as another case is pending for the same center, and that I have annexed in the writ petition.
See your termination order. Page 23.
Termination order, my lord, page 25.
Lordship, at page number 26, the original one, it is in that copy 2, in the last
Copy has been given to you,
Lordship.
It is written like that, but
and your service has been terminated
no,
in
it is,
view of this court's order.
Lordship.
my lord, I am submitting. It is written that copy is furnished to the person concerned, but let my learned friend produce the record whether there is any signature of me.
Lordship, what is the need of
And
that?
where is this honorable court's judgment?
That is.
But
that has
even then,
not
my
been
lord, I submit that, yes, because there is another case for the same subject that is pending, page 21 kindly see. So this case may be listed along with that case.
No.
Lordship.
Page 21. It is filed by another person. And in that case, my lord, later on I have been implicated as party, that is respondent number 5. That's why, my lord, I have annexed this order also. Originally, I was not the party, but later on, I have been made a party.
You file an affidavit explaining the delay.
2 weeks time. maybe.
Mr. M. U. Mahmood, led the counsel for the petition. It's allowed 2 weeks time to file an additional affidavit explaining the delay and approach. List after 2
And
weeks.
may this case may be listed along with
No.
that case.
Let it come up separately.
All right.
Keep your blessed, Lordship.
17.
May please. Milord, the petitioner.
Yes.
Where ranger initially appointed as ranger, first ranger, Milord, they in the year 2015, Milord, a regular vigilance inquiry was held. I have annexed the input letter also at page 9. Your Lordship will find it 17.
Page
17.
17.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This is the vigilance regular inquiry, my lord. We were asked some information. We submitted, not only the petitioner as well as other officials also there. Thereafter, my lord, we submitted the explanation, information, everything. Thereafter, we were given promotion at page 19, my lord. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
Our name appeared at serial number 3 and 4. We were promoted to the
Assistant Conservator of Forest in 2021, my lord, 26 February. Now, second DPC, now the DPC was initiated to promote to the post of DCF, Deputy Conservator of Forest. We came to learn that our names were kept in the seal cover. We filed a representation that the essential requirement for keeping a person's name in seal cover are three. One is he must be under suspension. Second, there must be a departmental proceeding wherein search sheet was issued and pending. Number three, that a criminal search sheet was issued and prosecution pending. These are the three requirements as per the guidelines issued by the central government as well as here upheld by the apex court. Now, when we submitted before the authority that there was we are not under suspension, neither any departmental proceeding, any search sheet were issued to us, nor any criminal prosecution pending. But in spite of our representation, they gave promotion to the juniors, to us, keeping our name in seal cover.
Where's that order?
That order, your lordship will find our names were not there, my lord, at page 23. My lord. Our names were not there, though we were the senior most assistant conservator of forest. Our names. Therefore, what I prayed before your lordship, my lord, if your lordship has a look on the guidelines of the central government, where the seal cover procedure can be adopted.
That is not required.
And the another, I would like to rely is the Supreme Court judgment, where Supreme Court also said that these are the three requirements.
That is not required. Yes.
Not a 2 weeks time maybe granted.
Let it be in.
Maybe issued.
Okay.
Let it be in some stage, let them submit the instruction.
Mr.
Yes, Kotogi, my lord.
MS
And Kalita, your lordship.
M. Kalita, and the standing counsel. Forest Department shall take instructions in the matter. Please, doctor, 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
18.
May please, Your Lordship. My lord, the Judicial Department, Government of Assam issued an advertisement, my lord, on 3rd of November 2022 for appointment of additional notaries in the state of Assam. Accordingly, the district and session judge of the Tezpur, my lord, he has also issued an advertisement asking for, my lord, names for appointment of the additional notary. Accordingly, the petitioner's bar association has forwarded 2 names, my lord. That you will find page 18. Annexure 2.
Yes.
These 2 names were forwarded, my lord. But while calling for the, my lord, candidates, page 19, my lord, none of the candidates, my lord, from the bar association of the petitioner has not been called for, my lord, to face the interview, my lord. Page 19. All total, my lord, 18 candidates were called for, my lord, for the interview by calling letter dated 1/1/2024, my lord. Then the one representation was submitted before the, my lord, respondent number 2, page 21, my lord. Representation was submitted, but that was also, my lord, not responded by the authority. Now the interview has been postponed, my lord, and no date was fixed till date, my lord. And therefore, I pray for, my lord, directing the authorities, my lord, to forward the names of 2 candidates, my lord.
Who appears for the High Court?
Yes, lordship. High Court. HK Das is there, lord.
High Court is a party?
High Court is not a party. Judicial Department is a party.
District and session judge is the party.
Yes,
Then
Lordship.
automatically the High Court has
High
to
Court
come.
has to appear, Lordship.
You have to change your cost title.
Then I can do, my lord. But in other writ petitions also, my lord, there are other petitions, I think, my lord. High
No,
Court is not a
Lordship, they have been, the Honorable Court has added the party, Lordship. In two,
In
three
that-
cases I appeared, Lordship,
in
yes.
that even a lord,
This has already been noticed,
I
Lord.
can't it, you'll have to file an IA.
Yes, Lord.
I will file, my lord. I will.
Mr. PG Saikya, then the counsel for the petitioner pays for how much time?
But since my lord, interview is my lord, going to be held recently, my lord. 2 days time, my lord. Yeah.
Hmm?
2 days, my lord. Monday,
Pays for 2 days time. To file an IA
my lord.
for implementation of necessary parties. No. Praise allowed.
Mathematics and I,
cannot-
Monday, my lord.
Not Monday. 13th.
Oblige.
19.
Oblige.
May please, doctor. So may take up this matter after some time. The counsel for explanation is not available.
Where you have served copies.
Lord, sir, I have hard copies. She was there, but she is only in another court. So maybe taken up after the motion items, Lord, sir.
20.
Maybe Lordship. The matter parting regarding the selection and appointment of the Gaonburah. Regarding the Gaonburah, initially the hearing petitioner was selected for the post of Gaonburah. Petitioner was selected, manner.
What is that selection?
Selection, page. Page, 25, my lord.
Page number?
So 25. My lord, then my lord, after selection of this Gaonburah, my lord, the private respondent must challenge my appointment before the commissioner, my lord. When the case was pending before the commissioner, the private respondent, my lord, filed a writ petition. That is, my lord, page 28, my lord, where I was included as a respondent number 5, my lord. Page 28, my lord. When this case was filed, my lord, the private respondent, my lord, we submit the court directed to consider the case before the Lower Division Commissioner Guwahati, and the case may be disposed within 8 weeks. But in meantime, my lord, as per government notification, my lord, 17/7/2023, the commissioner was abolished, my lord. So all the matter was pending, my lord, and nothing has been done. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, your lordship may be directed the my lord, last commissioner at this stage, my lord, and 1st February 2022, government notification, my lord, the director, land and survey, my lord, he is the competent authority to dispose the appeal, my lord. So my humble submission, my lord, the earlier appeal was filed by the private respondent that may be disposed of immediately, my lord. Direction may be to the respondent. Similar order, your lordship passed the coordinate court, my lord. Same issues, my lord. Only my appeal was disposed of the filed by the earlier writ petition by the private respondent, my lord. And due to this pendency, my appointment was pending, my lord. Similar nature, my lord.
What happened in the writ petition which was filed by the respondent?
My lord, annexure 7, my lord. That was disposed of, my lord.
Dispose of.
Yes, my lord. Dispose of, my lord. Dispose of and directed the court file an appeal. Appeal was pending, my lord. My humble assumption that appeal may be heard, my lord. Only that part. The complaint authority, my lord, now. Yes. My lord, annexure 1, and sorry, my lord, annexure is 33, my lord. Director Land Report and Survey. There is the complaint authority to heard this matter, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
H. Ali, my lord.
H.
Ali, my lord.
Learning counsel for the petition. Industrial Management Revenue.
I am 1 and 2, Lord.
J. Hendrick, Standing Council Revenue Department, appears for respondents,
1 and 2, Lord.
And then Ms. M. Bhattacharjee, Leonard, additional senior government advocate, that appears for the respond number 3. Stop. Where's the advertisement?
Advertisement, my lord, page 16, my lord. 1/6, my lord.
Pursuant to an advertisement.
My lord, dated
Dated
3/9/2022.
3/9/2022. The petitioner applied for the post of Gaonburah in respect of
Mundia, my lord. Mundia Molga, task number 15.
in respect of charge number 15. Mandya.
Yes, my lord.
Mandya Mauza.
Hmm.
Stop. The petitioner was successful in the selection process. And where's the select list?
26. 25, Lord. Annexure 6.
And by notification dated 3/1/2020.
3, my lord.
23, Lord.
2023. Issued by the Deputy Commissioner Barkata. His name appeared at serial number?
My lord, serial number 1515, my lord.
Serial number 15.
15, my lord, or 5.
15.
5 for actually, my lord. Charge number 15.
In the meantime, the private respondent number?
4, my lord.
4.
Yes, ma'am.
When the process for appointment, when the appointment of the petitioner was under process, the selection of the petitioner was challenged by the private respondent number 4. Before the?
My lord, first before the lawyer division commissioner, my lord.
Before the jurisdictional divisional commissioner, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Stop. As no action was taken, the private respondent number 5.
4, my lord.
4. Approach this court, correct?
Yes, my lord.
By way of WBC number
1123.
1123 of 2023, which was disposed of
1/3/2023.
by an order dated 1/3/2023, directing the Commissioner of Lower Assam Division to consider the appeal filed by the respondent number 4 and dispose of the same by a recent order as expeditiously as possible, preferably within 8 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this of the order. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the post of
Gaonburah.
no was abolished, no?
Yes, my lord.
Law Division, the Divisional Commissioner.
Division
The post
Commissioner.
of divisional commissioner was
Notification, my lord, page 31, my lord.
abolished. In the state by notification dated 17/7/2023 and the where is that order? And by a notification dated February by a notification dated 1/2/2024
Yes, ma'am.
issued by the Revenue and Disaster Management within bracket LA Department. The executive instructions under the Assam Land Revenue Regulation 1886 was amended. And in terms of the said amendment, executive instruction number 162C provides that appeals shall lie to the Director of Land Records and Service Assam, correct?
Lordship.
Stop. He therefore submits that the Director of Land Records and Service Assam, who is the respond number 2 here, will be directed to dispose of the appeal filed by the respond number 4 within a specified period of time. Stop.
Time may be fixed, my lord.
The Mr. J. Hendrick, Land Standing Council Revenue Department has no objections. Stop. Para. Accordingly, on consensus, comma, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the Director of Land Records and Service, Assam, oblique respond number 2, to dispose of the appeal filed by the respond number 4 against the selection of the petitioner within a period of
2 months
2 months
from the date of receipt of the copy.
from the date of receipt of a copy of the order of this court. Stop. With the above observations and directions, this should be.
Lordship, kindly mention the revenue appeal number, Lordship, RR public Lordship 04/2023.
Filed in appeal being RR
Number 04/2023.
Where can I get that?
That is Lordship in synopsis, Lordship.
Synopsis.
And I have some extract, my lord, that
RR number
4, my lord.
04.
04/2023. Only appeal number we mentioned.
2023.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the bottom also to dispose of the appeal number RR sons.
I love that.
After 5 minutes.
Lord.
21.
Yeah, please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I was appointed as a casual labor 2006 at Divisional Forest Officer Gulaghat. But recently, Respondent Authority has prepared a list for fixed pay, casual labor fixed pay, where my name is intentionally not enlisted. This is my grievances. So kindly issue notice to the Respondent Authority, Lordship.
Where's your order? Where's your appointment order?
Annexure 2, page number 11. Annexure 2, page number 11, serial number 9, Lordship. Nilotpal Sinha,
Annexure 2 is page 15.
page number 16, serial number 9. Still, I am working as a casual labor, Nagaon Division, Lordship.
Then where is that letter? For fixed pay.
Annexure 2, Lordship. Annexure 3, page number 18. There is intentionally not enlisted my name, Lordship.
This is a posting order. This is a posting order.
Lordship, it is a fixed pay for casual labor. Kindly issue notice, Lordship.
Read it. Read the first paragraph.
In pursuance to the Environment and Forest Department ECF number 3058 41 dated
You can skip that.
1/1 to 2024 upon join as fixed pay workers in the office of the PCCF and SOFF Assam Oranyo Bhavan. The following fixed pay workers are hereby deputed posted in the office noted.
So this is a posting order.
No, they enlisted as a Lordship fixed pay this office order, Lordship. Whereas my name is not enlisted, intentionally not enlisted, Lordship. Kindly issue notice, Lordship.
Why should I issue notice when I'm not clear?
This list, your lordship, they are already fixed pay workers.
That's what I'm saying. These are fixed pay workers. And this is a posting order.
Also kindly call for records.
What is your prayer? Your prayer is that you're working as a casual worker.
A casual worker, Lordship.
And you want your name to be enlisted in the fixed pay workers, isn't it?
Lordship.
On what basis?
Because long 18 years I have served as a casual labor in the forest department, Lordship. Till today.
Is there any exercise going on? Any exercise being taken earlier? Bringing these casual workers under fixed pay? Any exercise was taken?
Lordship.
Any exercise was taken?
Lordship, respondent authority has enlisted this casual labor. They are basically casual labor, but they are enlisted as a fixed pay by this order, Lordship.
What is annexure 7? Is your name in this list?
Yes, I have. My name is included in this list, Lordship.
Serial number?
Serial number. That's the collective number. Serial number 343, Lordship. Three 343, Lordship.
That's a different name.
Neil Kamal.
343.
Case number
343 is a different name.
Neil Kamal. Neil Kamal Sinha. Neil Kamal Sinha, Lordship.
Page
Page,
56.
page 65. Page 65.
540.
65 pages.
543. You can't read the numbers also.
Lord. 543, Lordship. Sorry, I beg your pardon, Lord. My glasses, Lordship, is case. That is why I cannot see it.
What happened after this? Standing counsel?
Lordship, I'm also a bit confused because this letter, annexure 7 is also
This is a recommendation
Lordship.
for
What are casual workers?
regularizing them into fixed pay workers.
Casual workers.
Casual workers.
Written here.
So in this list, his name is there.
Lordship.
Lordship.
So a request was made to move the finance department
Finance Department, Your Lordship.
to bring them under the fixed pay. Bring them under fixed pay.
That
The
is for
last paragraph.
last paragraph is for move the finance department for necessary consideration for regularization of 83 casual workers.
But
As
latest
fixed pay
list,
workers.
Lordship, my name is not enlisted.
I have to take instruction on
You
this.
take instructions on this.
Lord.
You're going on a different track, counsel.
Lord.
What, Mr.
Dikha Clary, Lordship.
Legal counsel for the petitioner. MS
M. Kalita,
M. Kalital and Standing Counsel Forest Department
Forest Department.
shall take instructions with regard to the outcome of the letter dated 25th March 2021, written by the additional principal chief conservator of forests within bracket admin and vigilance, and addressed to the principal secretary to the governor of Assam Environment and Forest Department within bracket annexure 7 to the writ petition. When do you want?
For 2 weeks. Your
List of the 2 weeks.
Deep obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
22.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
This matter pertains to appointment of Ram Pradhan, Your Lordship, for a concerned village, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I have been selected, Your Lordship. The
Where-
selection list is at page number 18, Your Lordship, and Annex 2, Lordship.
Where's your name?
At serial number 14, Lordship,
Hmm.
it is the petitioner, Your Lordship,
Yes.
for the village of Satyal Gaonburah, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, my grievance is that, Your Lordship, I have not been appointed till date, Your Lordship. And in the meantime, Your Lordship, the authority, Lordship, passed an appointment order for some candidates from the seat selection list, Your Lordship. What I mean to say, Your Lordship, the similarly situated person got appointment, Your Lordship. That is the at page number, Your Lordship, 20, Your Lordship, Annex 3, Lordship.
In other revenue village.
Lord, the same revenue village, Your Lordship, Koliaboy, Your Lordship. The relevant portion I have typed, Your Lordship. The Rajanbora from the same
But you
selection
have
list.
not been given your appointment.
No, Your Lordship. That is my grievance, Your Lordship. I don't even provided the reason, Your Lordship, of not appointing, Your Lordship.
Where's the advertisement?
At case number, Your Lordship. 13, Your Lordship, type in copy, 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 Lordship. 13, Your Lordship,
Yes, Henry. Take instructions.
And unexpected. To see appear in behalf of the deputy commissioner. Well, deputy commissioner will be the right person to my lord.
But MS
G. Bora Lordship.
G. Bural and counsel for the petitioner. Stop. Para. Pursuant to an advertisement for filling up 144 vacant posts of government pratans under the subdivision Kaliabor, Common Ogong, Sub. Say pursuant to an advertisement dated 5/9/2022 for filling up. Sorry. The petitioner applied for lot number 2, Shatial Gaon, Barwachok. Stop. Drafter, comma. Petitioner was appointed to the said lot, oblique village. Stop. Now, drafter was selected for the said lot, oblique village. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner is that he is yet to be given the appointment order, despite similarly situated persons being appointed as count patterns. Stop. Para. MS A. Talukdar and Governor Advocate shall take instructions in the matter. List on
4 weeks, Lordship.
why 4 weeks
3
instruction.
weeks, Lordship.
2
2
weeks,
weeks,
Lordship.
I'll give it. Please stop.
DPO instruction.
23. Wait, please, my lord. Matter pertains to compassionate appointment, my lord. Wherein I am challenging one impugned order, my lord, dated 6/12/2023, whereby my candidature, we are 2 petitioners, my lord. Our candidature was rejected. My lord, my lord, may I take my lord to the date of my father's death, my lord? So, my lord, the petitioner number 1, my lord, his father died on 24/12/12, and accordingly he had made the submission on time on 11/2/13. Petitioner number 2 also, my lord, on 17/11/14, her father had died, and on 8/7/15, within a time span of 1 year, she had made the representation. Thereafter, my lord,
these are 2 separate petitioners, isn't it?
My lord, but the cause of action is same, my lord. Rejected
Maybe.
on the same ground.
Maybe.
My lord.
But you have to file separate applications.
My lord, if I
No,
may
this-
take my lord.
we can't entertain this type of petition.
My lord, if my
The
lord.
cause of action may be same,
My lord.
but these are 2 separate petitioners.
My lord would kindly have page 112, my lord, the impugned.
That I've seen.
My lord.
You file separate with petitions. Withdraw this answer.
My lord, then liberty may be given to
Mr.
PR Sharma.
PR Sharma, Leonard Counsel for petitioner, press for withdrawal of the state petition with liberty to file afresh. MS Talukdar, Leonard Governor Advocate, appears for respondent.
3 and 5, Lordship.
3 and 5, and MS M. Kalita, Leonard Standing Counsel Forest. PhD Department for the respondents.
1, 4 and 6.
4 and 6. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty aspect. Give you liberty.
Liberty to file afresh. Highly obliged.
Each of us, Lordship.
19.
Wait, Mr. Lordship. In this case, the petitioner appeared in a selection process conducted by Staff Selection Commission. He scored more marks than the unreserved candidate, but he was not selected for appointment. He is an OBC candidate, Lordship. And this case is covered by the judgment of this honorable court.
Yes, what do you?
Lordship may issue notice. I have to obtain instruction.
Okay, heard, Mr.
R. Sharma.
R. Sharma, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. MS B. Sharma,
Lordship.
Leonard CJC enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all.
Yes, Lord.
All the respondents, accordingly, notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List the matter after
2 weeks.
4 weeks.
2 weeks, Lord. And that may be fixed, Lord.
You want after 2 weeks?
Okay.
Okay.
If it is covered, I just have to obtain that instruction.
List the matter on 3rd March, 3rd April.
Yes, sir. Obliged.
54 of supplementary list. Motion.
May it please your lordship. In this case, my lord, the petitioner before lordship was appointed as Gaonburah, my lord, by appointment order dated 14/3/2023 at page 19. Page 19, my lord. The Notcaster Hill Autonomous Council is pleased to appoint Sri so-and-so as Gaonburah of Maulen village under Chiam Valley Moja. Vice Parma GB Sri so-and-so has tendered his resignation. On resignation of the respondent number 8, I was appointed as Gaonburah of the village. But all of a sudden, my lord, during September 2023, my salary was stopped. The village committee, my lord, who selects the Gaonburah as well as tradition of the locality, they file representation before the council for releasing my salary. That representation was will find at page 20.
Yes. Yes.
After filing this representation, instead of paying my salary, my lord, what they have done by imping order at page 21, they have reappointed the respondent number 8 in my place without issuing any notice. Without issuing any notice, my lord, the respondent number 8 has been reappointed. The respondent number 8 was removed, my lord, he was forced to resign from the post of Gaonburah on the charge of corruption. As your lordship has gone through the representation, my lord, in the representation they have mentioned that on charge of corruption, my lord, he was about to prosecuted, and fearing prosecution, my lord, he tendered his resignation. And thereafter, my lord, I was appointed. But by the imping order, my lord, I have been removed, and the respondent number 8 has been reappointed without any notice, my lord. So, my lord, I have stated in paragraph 10 of my petition that, my lord, I am still holding the charge of Gaonburah as that order is yet to be implemented, but the respondent number 5
3/10/2023 order has not been implemented.
has not been implemented, my lord.
Is that correct?
I have no instruction now, your lordship. I have to take instruction, your lordship. It is the order of October 2023, may be implemented, your lordship.
But my lord, the prima facie, my lord, that order cannot be passed. The imping order, lordship has said, even if it is presumed to be an ad hoc appointment, an ad hoc employee cannot be replaced by another ad hoc employee, my lord. And my lord, that order has been passed in violation of principle of natural justice, my lord. Paragraph 10 I have mentioned, my lord. Paragraph page 11, my lord, paragraph 10.
Yes.
Lordship, I have to take instruction, your lordship. Lordship may issue notice in the motion, and I pray that today no stay, your lordship, because it is the order of October 2023, your lordship.
So let's
Or-
status quo with the yes on today. That's not the order of the third IS cycle and the conflict for the petition.
Mr. Rasko will create problem, my lord, because.
What will get the problem?
Well,
If you are holding, you will hold. If you are not holding, then the other person is holding it.
Respondent number 5, my lord, respondent number 5, my lord, who issued the impugn order, my lord, is forcing her to implement the order, my lord. Though the village
So
committee, my lord,
if they have not implemented, you are saying you are still holding the order.
yes, my lord.
You are holding the post. If if I pass a status quo order, what is the meaning of that? What happens?
They may say that, they may say tomorrow that they are holding the post. That it is prima facie illegal, my lord. I cannot be removed without any notice, my lord.
That we'll see. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 3/10/2022, by which the respondent number 8 was reappointed as GB of Maulian village under Jinam Valley Mauza in place of the petitioner, who was appointed by an order dated 14/3/2022. MS Learned Counsel for the petitioner supports that the petitioner is still holding the post.
No, he says not, handed over the charge also.
He is yet to hand over the charge and is holding the post of GB of Maulian village. Stop. MS
Deka.
R. Dekal and Standing Council.
And Hill for record number 2, 4,
NC
5, and
Hills,
6.
NC Hills shall take instructions as to whether the order dated 3/10/2023 has been implemented by the respondents. Stop. List the matter on.
After 10 days, your lordship.
1 week to take. We'll have it on 18th March, on 18th of March. Till then, parties are directed to the status quo as on today.
Obliged.
Was will issue notice, my lord?
No.
Obliged, my lord.
25 of daily list, admission.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
This is regarding a dismissal of an employee, but then today they have filed an affidavit. Today. So I need.
Yesterday, my lord, I have been
Yesterday.
record.
Anyways. So I therefore need to take some instructions from the client whether we'll have to file a reply or not on this. 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
A. Sharma, Lordship.
A. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. MS.
RS Deuri, my lord,
RS Deori, Learned
for SC soil conservation, my lord.
Standing Council Soil Conservation submits that she has received, that she has filed an affidavit in opposition on yesterday.
Yesterday.
On 5. On 5/3/2024. Stop. Registry to verify the same and place on record. In the meantime, the petitioner is also granted liberty to file reply to the affidavit in opposition, if so advised.
2 weeks.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lord.
30.
But please, my lord, in this case, I was supposed to file an application for impleading Punjab National Bank and its officials, my lord. What happened in this case is the petitioner is an employee of United Bank of India. During pendency of this case, United Bank of India merged with Punjab National Bank. So we need to file an implement application. My lord, this man is 85 years of age. So he could not come. I have sent that application to him. So I need 2 weeks time. In the meantime, we'll be filing the application.
Mr.
Yes, Chakravarti.
Chakravarti, Learned Counsel for the petitioner prays for another 2 weeks time to file an appropriate application for implement of the Punjab National Bank as party respondents.
Can I pray for date 21st, my lord?
Please don't.
21st of this month.
21st.
Mal, I'm like.
31.
My lordship.
Yes.
This is long pending case.
And Lordship, we kindly peruse the order dated 19/7/23, 19/7/23.
Yes. Yes.
Then again, Lordship, 11/8/23.
Yes.
Then Lordship, 7/2/24. Last order. So this is all retired person, Lordship. They are entitled for the regulation, and already cabinet decision has been taken. Finance has approved, so we have filed the affidavit along with this proposal of the finance department, which is accepted. It is accepted in 31/10. So, but till today, petitioners are deprived of from the regulation as well as pension. But cabinet decision has been taken. Finance department has already given some concurrence, approval, everything. This is the case.
Yes, finance, Nayak.
And Lordship, Supreme Court in this regard, I like to place two judgment of the Supreme Court, which says that they are entitled for this because it is a Supreme Court
You're
decision.
supposed to file an affidavit.
Yes, we have received some instructions also.
No, in the last occasion, that was on 7/2/2024. Barbujari was appearing.
Yes. Yes. But it is in fact his name in the
The petitioner, they've all retired.
You are covered with the Supreme Court judgment, Lordship. Long pending case, it is 19. Today is 24.
2019, we can't keep on filing affidavit. Anyway, there is a judicial order directing you to file an affidavit.
In fact, one affidavit is already there by the housing and urban affairs.
No. Finance was specifically directed to file an
Yes,
affidavit.
I'm just mentioning about that affidavit because in that affidavit, one specific line is there. Finance department does not accept the proposal. Since the state government gives devolution grants to the local bodies, versus recommendation of the state finance. So finance department stand is already there. Anyhow, Lordship, I have received the instruction.
In my affidavit, finance department order is there. Approval order.
Lordship, if I may, Lordship, Section 50 of the Assam Municipal Act will, that means be perused, Lordship. Dear Lordship, all the salary and the benefits are given from the own fund of the municipal bodies. This is always their Lordship, and this they are guided by the Section 50 of the Assam Municipal Act.
That will see, let the affidavit come. Heard Mr. H. Raman, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by MS.
Pooja Agarwal.
P. Agarwal, Learned Counsel for the Commission. On request made by Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Senior Counsel Finance. How much time you require? 1 2 weeks.
A fixed date, maybe.
2 weeks time is allowed. To file affidavit in terms of the order dated 7/2/2024. List the matter again on the
21. 21.
21st March. By that time you file it, Nayak.
By 21st March.
32, 33.
Let me kindly see the last order, my lords, of 7th February 2024. There's no longer appearing in the matter, my lords.
Let us give them one last chance.
My lords, may I just pray, my lords, that the contempt proceedings be closed because the.
No, let us wait.
Very well, my lord. As my lord deems.
None appears for the petition. Please the matter again on. First step.
No, any observation, my lord, that my lord, it will be in some orders will consequential orders will follow, my lord.
If none appears for the petitioner on the next reachable date, approved orders will be passed.
I'm deeply obliged.
Ex parte.
34.
Please, your lordships. Matter relates to group insurance policy bylaw. Often wants to open by the employees of the Songkore Kalakat Committee menu. And they have given a fixed salary menu. After retirement, they will not get any benefit menu. That is why they open a group insurance policy. Wants to open a group insurance policies. Some of the employees have already opened a group insurance policy menu. Of the say society menu. The government desired to file affidavit until date, no affidavit has been filed, my lord.
No affidavit has come.
My lord, only last order, my lord, your lordship can see, my lord, 4/10/2023, my lord.
Affidavit is filed by respond number 4.
2, my lord. 4 and 5, my lord, my lord, Director of Cultural Affairs, my lord. They have to file affidavit, they wants to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes. Bhattacharya. Last occasion, it is recorded that you have received instructions.
Lordship, kindly be taken up at 2 o'clock, Lordship. I don't have the brief right now with me, Lordship. At 2 o'clock.
$35. 35.
I'm appealing for respond number 5 and 6, my lord.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, my lord.
Why?
Due to some personal difficulties of the respond number 5 and 6, my lord, they could not come. But otherwise, it will be ready, my lord. Further 2 weeks, time will be that. They will be fixed, my lord.
Next week, Lordship, not 2 weeks. Already it is a 2022 case.
She has been illegally removed
Are
from.
Devi learned counsel for the petitioners?
Lordship.
Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the respondent number 5 and 6 is allowed. Okay, let her give her it's allowed another 2 weeks time to file affidavit. in Lordship.
That may be fixed, Lordship, in that event.
This the matter again on
April.
No.
it has to go to April
Lordship, it is regarding removal of secretary. Lordship, illegally removed from.
for 1st of April. First of
Of Lordship.
36.
May it please your lordship. This is a matter regarding an order of dismissal against a regular employee. Now, the order of dismissal was followed by an ex parte disciplinary proceeding, which was conducted in only 2 days' time, and an order was passed dismissing him. While all the time, on a ground of unauthorized absence, while all the time he was being engaged by the government of Assam by a formal order as BLO, that is booth level officer, for conducting the NRC, National Register of Citizenship work. So he was there in that office. There are all orders. Based on those orders, he was been on deputation in that BLO booth while conducting the NRC work. While his parent department, there's the fishery department, they proceeded on the ground that he is unauthorized absence, and by way of an ex parte hearing or a proceeding, he was dismissed. This is the fate of this employee. And the pleadings are otherwise completed. If your lordship otherwise have no inconvenience, it can be taken up for disposal. So that is my
Yes, Bhattacharya, are you ready?
His lordship affidavit filed, but on last occasion, they sought time to file reply, which is
Reply
not
has
in
been
our
filed.
record, lordship.
Reply has been filed.
This is,
Yes.
in my record, I don't have lord.
I can just give a copy to her otherwise. Lordship can have. If not today, some other day, can lordship can have. it.
Yes, lordship.
So the issue is very simple. Facts are all admitted. In fact, the director of the department, parent department, he has written to his superior officer for release of his salary because he has been engaged in the NRC duty. While my superior have passed this order of dismissal. The director, who is the head of the department, writes, please release my salary because he is working there. But my superior officer conducts a proceeding ex parte and dismisses me. This is the state of affairs of this case.
Okay.
Victimization, order of victimization, basically.
But Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the
On a hearing day, lawsuit.
pleadings are complete. I got it. Release this matter for admission hearing. You want?
Admission hearing, yes, your lordship.
Admission hearing on 2nd April.
2nd of April. Yes, your lordship. Oblige, your lordship.
47.
Lordship, senior advocate Bidina Sri Lex, so kindly pass over the matter for a time being.
In this case, lordship,
Is it Lex? So
department has already filed its affidavit, lordship. If they want to file their reply, lordship, let them file. Otherwise, lordship will fix this matter for hearing. Our affidavit was filed on the.
Are you filing reply or not?
So I am not aware of it. He is coming at 2 o'clock. So kindly pick up the matter at 2 o'clock. Lordship.
Okay. After some time, night.
Lordship.
38.
May I please also? Pleading is complete, may be fixed for admission hearing.
On request made by Mr.
DJ Burma.
Pawan, learned counsel for the petitioner. List the matter for admission hearing on 4th April.
Obliged.
39.
May it please, my lord. Matter pertaining to compassionate appointment, my lord. The petitioner's father died in 2014, my lord. Thereafter, he applied, my lord, for appointment on compassionate.
Yes, got instructions.
Yes, good.
This is not at all legible.
My lord, also copy received just.
How do you know?
As per
instruction is application was placed on 20 August 2016 and rejected as it was found that there was no vacant sanction post of farm operator as stated above.
What is your prayer?
Yes, my lord, to place my lord at DLC, my lord. They have not informed us, my lord. As per Federal Nesa, my lord, they have to inform us, my lord, whether my application is rejected or accepted, my lord. After
Rejected, my lord.
now they have, my lord, submitted, my lord, that maybe an affidavit, my lord, right? Form of affidavit.
Not required. You can furnish him a copy of that. You can challenge that.
He pointed. No, sanction post of farm. Yes. They have rejected, my lord, that there is no sanction post of farm operator. Farm operator, my lord. But as per my lord, as per completion appointment, if there is vacancy of
That is a different thing.
Yes.
Say you're saying DLC is not considered.
Yes. Maybe this.
I'll dispose of. Hurt Mr.
M. Kolita.
M. Kalital and the council for the police. Stop. Also hurt Mr. R.K. Mujari, the understanding council BTC for the respondents.
4, 5, and 7.
Respondents 4, 5, and 7. And MS
Correspondence 2 and 3.
M. Kalita 2 and 3 and MS M. Bhattacharjee. The additional senior government advocate for respondents 1 and 6. M. Kalita, London Standing Council, PH. Huh? Stop. The case in brief is that the father of the petitioner, led Junash Daimari, died in harness on 17/8/2014 while serving as a grade 4 employee in the within bracket pump operator in the office of the executive engineer, PHE, Tangla division, Tangla. Stop. Draft. Where's your application? Petitioner met an application for appointment on commissioner grounds. Stop. The said application was, what was that forwarding letter?
Yes, my lord. Page 28, my lord. Annexure 7, my lord.
The application of the petitioner was forwarded to the Director Public Health Engineering Department, BTC Kopraja, by a letter dated 8 June 2015 by the Joint Secretary, Butuland Territorial Council, Kopraja. The case of the petitioner is that his case has not been placed before the DLC field date. On 16/2/2024, Mr. R.K. Mishari, the Standing Council BTC, was directed to receive instructions from Para. Today, when the matter is called up, the Standing Council BTC has produced a communication dated 5/3/2024, written by the Additional Chief Engineer within bracket PHE, Director, PHED, BTC Kokrachar, stating that the proposal for compassionate appointment in respect of the petitioner was placed in the meeting of the DLC held on 20 August 2016. Where stop. The minutes of the DLC has also been enclosed with the said communication. Stop. Perusal the minus indicates that the case of the petitioner was not considered for recommendation on the ground that there is no vacant sanction post of pump operator. Stop. Para. Mr. M. Kalita, legal counsel for the petitioner. Press for withdrawal of this writ petition. In view of the above, Mr. M. Kalita, legal counsel for the petitioner, press for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file afresh. Prayers allowed. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as paid for. The communication dated 5/3/2024, as well as the DLC minutes dated held on 20 August 2024 is placed, 2016 is placed on record.
Lordship, here in this case,
You
Lordship.
are supposed to file your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, I will file, Lordship, already sent for vetting, Lordship. Shall you pick the matter after 2 weeks, Lordship? I will, within that period, I will.
That may be fixed, my lord.
Yes, Lordship, that may be fixed.
Mr.
B. Buragoen.
B. Buragoen and the counsel for the petitioner. On request made by J.K. Goswami, learned the additional senior governor advocate. 2 weeks further time is allowed to file affidavit. List on 3rd April.
Lordship.
37.
The petitioner, he was a head assistant and that he was placed under suspension at page 31. This has to be hard finally. It has to be hard finally.
Okay.
So,
who appears on the other side?
Government is there. Huh?
Yes, Goswami, are you appearing?
PWD, Lordship, standing counsel, please. I will call.
30. Huh? ठीक है 7710 I think. Page 31 your lordship. कोई होता है ना माते होती है. He was placed under suspension. It's page 31 while working as a head assistant.
Yes.
Head assistant under Borkhola and Katigor Territorial Division, so he was placed under suspension. Then we came before this court and by an order dated 1/7/21, the court directed to conclude the disciplinary proceedings within 45 days.
Who is that?
That is at page 44. Page 51. The disciplinary proceedings be concluded within an outer limit of 45 days. It is needless to mention.
You came challenging the suspension order.
Yes. Then the court directed that you complete the disciplinary proceedings within 45 days. And if you cannot complete it, you will have to reinstate him. So this was the order passed. We filed an appeal also. The appeal was disposed of, my lord. That your lordship will find at page 52. Ultimately, my lord, 2 punishment was given.
No, my lord, this is in DP, my lord. Censure, reduction of his post from head assistant to senior assistant permanently with effect from so and so at a grade pay of rupees so and so. This was in DP, discipline proceedings. We went to appeal against this order, and the order of, my lord, reduction of his post has been removed. So he got some relief, my lord. Page 59, if your lordship comes to, my lord. Here, my lord, that whole DP, my lord, DP order has been issued in violation of Rule 9 because no charge sheet was given and no, my lord, witness was examined. Even the charge sheet was also not given. No inquiry report. So therefore, my lord, in appeal, my lord, they have given this relief. Page 61. However, considering Sri Dev's submission that his indisciplinary rude behavior were unintentional, that he has only 4 years left to retirement, that he will not repeat the undesired behavior and action, that he will work with the desired commitment, etc. Relying on good faith, it is decided to limit the action on him to the following: censure, treating his period of suspension from 19/5/2020 to 26/7/21 as leave as per revised leave rules 1934. So now the question is, can you put this censure and this, my lord, treating his period of suspension from so and so as leave as per revised leave without giving any show cause notice to him, and in the final, my lord, disciplinary proceedings, whether the disciplinary proceedings could have been done without giving any charge sheet, without giving any list of witnesses and inquiry report. So that was the first case before the appellate authority. But appellate authority, instead of deciding those issues, they have decided other issues and ultimately gave some relief to the petitioner, saying that, okay, censure and the suspension period will be treated as leave. So on this, my lord, my submission would be, my lord. First is, my lord, then I have other submissions also, my lord, that although he was reinstated in service, he has not been allowed to work as a head assistant. So this, your lordship will find it in my writ petitions. I have given this different paragraphs I have shown, my lord. Now, if your lordship comes to, my lord, Rule 9, Rule 9 to law. Your lordship knows, my lord, that you will have to give charge sheet and also, my lord,
But 1 minute, where's the other respondents? In the absence, there's no point taking it up.
see, we don't have to invite them, my lord. Every time the matter comes up, I think court has his own power, my lord. And
yes, Bhattacharya.
come there.
Lordship. After some time, Lordship.
Well, I'm submitting it, let them submit at their own sweet will, my lord. Rule 9, my lord. This is not the way of conducting cases, my lord. We are there, and it is listed.
This is the problem. This is the problem I'm facing.
It cannot be done in this manner. If you have any difficulty, say it in the morning, my lord. We are waiting for it. And lordship is also waiting, wasting so much of time. Rule 9, your lordship will kindly
Rule 9 of what?
Of the disciplinary appeal rules. How to impose these penalties. Whether these rules have been followed. That was the first contention before the court.
Nayak, you're here?
Lordship, PWD. Lordship, in this matter, just I was submitting earlier also, Lordship, our affidavit has already been filed, Lordship. If
Yes,
they are
I've
not,
seen that. I don't need any reply, madam. It's a case of not following the rule 9, madam. And the censure has been inflicted totally in violation of the fundamental rules. So rule 9, if your lordship sees the records, nothing has been followed, madam. No charge sheet was given, no witness was examined, and even the inquiry report was also not given. So the first order by the disciplinary authority of putting me down from the head assistant to the section assistant, that itself is wrong. And because of that, my lord, having given that infliction, having inflicted that punishment, my lord, we went to appeal, my lord. And the appeal, my lord, they have brought down that and they have restricted their punishment to censure and that counting of the leave period, suspension period as leave on duty. So both of them, my lord, both these issues cannot be, punishment cannot be imposed in violation of the rule 9 and also in violation of the rule.
You're saying rule 9 has been violated?
Violated. Your lordship will see the records, whether charge sheet has been.
You have the records? No.
When they file affidavit, record has to be there, my lord. And
first time I have heard such submission, Lordship. When I file affidavit, I have to have the record. What kind of submission is this, Lordship? My affidavit is there. It was filed
yes,
only week before.
Affidavit.
If they are not filing their reply, Lordship will fix this matter for hearing. That is my simple understanding, Lordship.
Okay, you produce the records.
Lordship.
What Mr. B.D. Das, then a senior counsel, assistant to MS.
Ardeka.
Level counsel. Mr. B. Nayak, Leonard Standing Counsel,
PWD, Lordship.
shall produce the records of the disciplinary proceedings against the petition. List all, give a date.
After 4 weeks.
Next week, my lord.
After 4 weeks, Lordship, it will come from Silchar, Lord.
It comes from?
Silchar.
Disciplinary proceedings, my lord, I think it will be here and Guwahati.
There, Lordship. He was a senior, the junior, a senior assistant, Lordship. There, Lordship, from the division HR.
April.
8 Lord. For records and for hearing, my lord.
You want it to go to a hearing or admission hearing?
Admission hearing.
Lordship, I kindly record that they are not submitting it, or furnishing any reply.
Like the affidavit, nothing is there, man.
No, Lord.
2-page affidavit, they have not touched any of the points in the writ petition, man.
Yes.
40.
Obliged, Lord.
No counter.
Made clear. Lordship, this matter pertains to compassionate appointment.
Last occasion, they took time to file counter affidavit.
Two occasions.
Yes. Who's
Lordship,
appearing?
I'm appearing, Your Lordship. I would need additional further 2 weeks time to file affidavit, but Your Lordship, here the petitioner is assailing the impugned minutes of the SLC. So we actually don't have any role as such. If Your Lordship directs.
No, SLC, it will be Talukdar. So have you filed your affidavit?
We also need some time.
Lordship, may just I may point out, just we have been recommended by the district level committee on certain number of vacancies, page 16, Lordship, 6 vacancies in the year 2016-2017. Page 16, Lordship.
Yes.
Now that and now after a long time, after a litigation, after a round of litigation, my matter was placed before the SLC. Now SLC says, Lordship would see page 27. 27, serial number 16. Manoj Chuti Bura Gohai, due to dearth of vacancies, Lordship.
Due to dearth of vacancies, when is this SLC held?
Yes, Lordship. SLC held on
2019.
19, Lordship.
DLC 2016.
16, Lordship. Now, Lordship, my operating guidelines is page 29, 1/6/2015. And now at page 34, Lordship would kindly see page 34, CL number 15. If sufficient vacancies are not available in a particular office to accommodate the persons in the waiting list for compulsion appointment, it is open to the administrative department to take up the matter to the department officers to provide at an early appointment. Lordship, they can accommodate me in any other department.
We will remand it back to the SLC.
Yeah.
Let him apply clause 15 and then take a decision. Okay. We are not saying to appoint him as such, but the SLC take, we have a. But Mr. B.B. Boran and the council for the petition. Also heard MS.A. Talukdar and the government advocate for the respondents, 1,
1, 2, and 6, Lordship.
1, 2, and 6. And MS.
M. Kalita,
M. Kalita, then the standing council, excise.
Excise Department.
For the respondents, 3, 4, and
4
5.
and 5.
Stop. Para. The order of the petitioner. Let Himakanda Bor go ahead. While serving as excise constable in the office of the superintendent of excise Sigasaka, died in harness on 22/4/2016. Stop. Thereafter, the petitioner made an application for appointment on compulsory grounds. The district level committee, in its meeting held on 4/11/2016, recommended the case of the petitioner against 6 numbers of vacant excise constable posts for the year 2016 to 2017 from the office of the excise inspector Sivasana. The state level committee thereafter considered the case of the petitioner in its meeting held on 3/1/2019. However, the case of the petitioner was rejected. It was not recommended on the ground that there was dearth of vacancy. Stop. Para. Clause 15 of the office memorandum dated 1st June 2015, issued by the Department of Personnel within bracket B, Government of Assam, provides that if sufficient vacancies are not available in any particular office to accommodate the persons in the waiting list for compassionate appointment, it is open to the administrative department public office to take up the matter with other department public offices of the government to provide an early provide at an early appointment on compassionate grounds to those in the waiting list. Stop. Sapara. A perusal of records would indicate that the state level committee has failed to consider clause 15 of the OM dated 1/6/2015. Accordingly, district petition is remanded back to the state level committee to have a reconsideration of the case of the petition by applying clause 15 of the office memorandum dated 1st June 2015. What is it? Accordingly, the matter is remanded back to the SLC to reconsider the case of the petition in its next immediate sitting. Thereafter, appropriate orders shall be passed by the state level committee. With the above observations and directions, this issue is disposed.
Deeply.
And you obliged, your lordship.
41.
Look, lordship, I kindly peruse the last order. my lord. I have received the instructions, my lord. They have already considered, my lord.
1 minute.
Already did the letter. Can take it. Can take it. Verify কৰিলে বা? Yes, there is a mistake on our part that has been rectified, and my lord, now the IGP MPC has directed the commandant to issue the appointment order.
Then
Lordship,
you want this petition closed or you want to wait for some?
Lordship, in this case, engaged counsel, Mr. S. Burman is out of session today, Lordship. To kindly adjourn the matter for today, Lordship. I am not in this case, Lordship.
Okay, on request made on behalf of Mr.
My name is Jay Hatimuria on behalf of S. Burman.
S. Burman, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. You want a date?
Yeah, next date, any date, Lordship.
Next,
after 1 week. Lordship.
After 1 week. Then you keep this with you.
Lordship.
Otherwise, these matters become
Infectious.
infectious.
Yes, his grievance has been already redressed.
Obliged, Lordship. 42.
Well, matter parents to dismissal from service. No affidavit is required, madam.
No affidavits. Attached.
Yes, lordship, we need further
What is wrong?
time, lordship.
Third, Mr.
D. Gogoi, madam.
D. Gogoi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, MS M. Bhattacharjee, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, is allowed another.
Lordship, further 4 weeks. Time. We have not yet received
Another
instruction.
4 weeks time to receive instructions and file evidence. Please come.
May I pay for date, madam? Any date? Any convenient date, madam?
Ninth April.
9 April, madam. Highly obliged.
Oh, bless your lordship.
43 and 44.
Wait, please, your lordship, my lord. My lord, here my prayer is very simple, my lord. It's a works, my lord, master rule work working in 1991. My lord, as per the judgment of Upendas, my lord, I have stated in page 20. Upendas, my lord, and pursuant to that, there is a notification issued by the government. Notification is page 28. My lord, 15,900 that benefit along with connected benefits like, my lord, yes, that benefit may be given to me, my lord. Let them consider me, my lord.
My lord, we are yet to receive this instructions. So
What instructions do you need?
from the department, my lord,
You are appearing for the department?
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Ardhar, standing also for tribal affairs.
Watson is not there.
Yes, my lord. Lordship may fix a date, my lord. On that date, my lord will
On
consider.
the date, I'm disposing of this matter. But Mr.
BK Das.
BK Das, Learned Counsel for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. Ardhar, Learned Standing Counsel.
WPTC,
WPD,
BC,
It's a department.
BC,
Yes,
WBT and BC department. List on when?
after 10 days.
My lord, 3 weeks.
My lord, it will be too late otherwise. They are suffering, all these people, my lord. I don't know how they are. Okay. Fifth April, my lord. My lord, Lordship may make one observation, but the returnable date, my lord. Lordship will endeavor for disposal. Endeavor to make the disposal. Deeply obliged. Both the cases, same order, my lord. One order will do. Yes, my lord. 44 and 40. Obliged, my lord.
May please, Your Lordship. In this matter, I appear for the response number 7. I filed my affidavit today, but it's not in the record, Your Lordship. So I pray for tagging the affidavit in the records, Your Lordship.
Respondent number?
7.
I'm also file, my lord, for respondent number 9, 10, and 11. My lord. Today file, my lord.
Today.
Today.
My lord, the respondent number 7 has filed, 8, 9, 10, 11 has filed. I think 8 has not filed as in. Respondent 8.
Okay, heard Mr. Fukan and the counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
It for 7, Your Lordship.
Edas,
For response number 7.
learned counsel for the respondent number 7, and Mr. D. Gogoy, learned counsel for the respondent number
9, 10, 11.
9, 10, and 11 submits that they have filed their respective counter affidavits. Okay.
Actually, if required, we will file our reply.
Registry to verify and place the same on record. Mr. M.K. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for respond number 8. Praise for
2 weeks, man.
2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise allowed. List up to 2 weeks.
But see, I will also pray for tagging a writ petition on the similar ground for the present writ petition, Your Lordship. WBC number 6772.
My lord, that writ petition is not connected with this gradation list. No, the gradation is already there. They have waived off the thing. That writ petition is not required. And Lordship, interim order may be continued till the next date of listing. That is an interim
order passed really to continue till the
next date of listing.
May I pray, Lordship? I'm appearing for KAC, Lordship. Lordship, kindly 3 weeks may be given for to file our affidavit, Lordship. 3 weeks time may be given.
You heard Mr. JP Shah. Your good name, please.
My lord, copies have been duly served as per the last order of the honorable court, and it
He
is
wants
expected-
time to file affidavit.
Yes, if they, because they have to obtain instruction from the department on compensate ground, my lord. Because appointment of compensate ground is involved in the present case, my lord. An extra copy is as required to serve. So I expect, my lord, they must have obtained instruction from the
Have you received
department.
instruction?
No, Lordship. Instruction is not yet received, Lordship.
Notice was issued. Heard, Mister? Your good name, please.
Say your name. Your name. My name was JP Sharma, my lord. Sorry. My name is
On request made by Mr.
R.S. Ronghang.
R.S. Rohan. Understanding counsel KAC. How much time?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive instructions. List of 3 weeks.
Biblio.
47.
Dear Lordship, I pray for some more time to file our affidavit, Lordship. Instruction awaited, Lordship, not received.
This is a matter pertaining to departmental proceeding, penalty of compulsory retirement. Initially, minor penalty was imposed. That was so much revised by the appellate authority and compulsory retirement. A very 24 years old boy, he just got the job as sub-inspector. He was detained for witnessing a auction sale wherein some senior officers did some mischief. He has been made scapegoat.
Heard H.K. Das, counsel. On request made by Mr. S.S. Royal and CGC. How much time?
Lordship, 4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks time is allowed to file counter affidavit.
No.
List of 4 weeks.
Obliges.
May I pray for a date, my lord?
4 weeks.
Lordship,
With the Bihu holidays, we have to go.
Before Bihu, my lord, if
after
possible.
Bihu, Lordship.
After Bihu, just based on 22nd April.
My lordship. I kindly.
49.
Lordship, in this case, I have filed affidavit yesterday, Your Lordship, for BTC.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, we have received the affidavit in opposition.
But
Lordship
no-
may grant us some time to file the objection.
Reply.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, interim may be continued.
Heard,
There is
sir?
no interim.
TP
Lordship,
Gogoi.
status quo has been.
P.B. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petition. M.S. R.B. Bora, learned standing counsel, PTC, submits that she has filed contra affidavit yesterday
Yesterday, Lordship.
on 5/3/2024. Stop, registered to verify and place the same on record. Para, learned counsel for the petitioner, praise for
Interim may be continued.
how much time?
Lordship, 3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file reply. The counter filed by the PTC, list up to 3 weeks.
Much of it.
Responded what he already filed.
আপনি বলছেন একটু bless.
55 of supplementary list, admission.
Kindly pass out for the timing.
Also, in that case, Lordship has directed me to take instruction from Director Health Services that advertisement has been challenged. They said that they were not appointed, but fact is that result not yet out. That case, may I place this?
Yeah, he's not there, Das Gupta is not there. No?
He lives in post number 10.
Lordship, after some time.
Fifty-two of daily list hearing.
Oh, 51 is also gone.
Fifty-two.
Lordship, our Muzumdar is on legs, Lordship.
Let me fix now, 20 minutes, 20. Next time, I'm also not prepared today. The whole case, madam.
On request made on behalf of R. Majumdar, learned counsel for petition. List on 20 March.
Yes, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship. 53.
Lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for 2 weeks, Lordship. As
Why?
it is an old matter, Lordship, I have no file, Lordship. The summons, it is misplaced. I have to construct a file, Lord. 2 weeks, Lordship.
2014.
Lordship.
But Mr. R.M. Chowdhury,
My lord.
learned counsel for the on request made by MS.
Deborah,
D. Bora, learned study
Health
counsel,
Department.
Health Department. Is the matter after
2 weeks, Lordship.
Interim order, continue order.
interim order passed earlier. Interim is there
My lord.
Yes, Lordship.
to continue to the next available date.
Master.
Obliged, Lordship.
55 of supplementary list.
There is hearing is going on.
Give a short date.
Yes, it's Monday, Lordship.
Monday, maybe it is because on request made on behalf of A. Das Gupta, learned counsel, senior counsel for the petition. List the matter. Das Gupta, learned counsel. 13th.
Lordship.
Okay.
Thank you. Much obliged.